And what is going on, Shib Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're bringing you guys a live stream to congratulate everybody on this fine achievement of finally getting our favorite crypto asset listed on Coinbase. It's official, guys. We know it's live. I know the majority of you probably already watched the video, but guys, man, it's bitter. I mean, bittersweet. bitter. I can't even talk. Bitter. It's really bittersweet. It's, been a long time coming for us to finally see all of this happen, everything come to fruition, and our time is now. It's been our time. We've been patient. A lot of you have been waiting for this exact moment, including myself. We've been patient with the price action, day after day, literally just trading sideways. A lot of naysayers, man. A lot of naysayers saying that Shiba Inu is going nowhere. It's not a crypto asset with any potential. But finally, our day has come. And the only way to silence folks, especially those who spread FUD, especially those who are the ones who have been saying no to Shiba Inu, is things like today. They'll look at the price action. They'll look at where this crypto asset, exactly where it's headed, I should say. And my goodness, guys, again, I still think that this is still a very early stage for this crypto asset. And this is just one of those things that will excite new investors to come into the space. But the potential from here is absolutely phenomenal. Welcome everybody to the chat. I'm looking in here right now and I see, let's see what we got. We got RD Price, my man. Good evening. Very good evening, he says. Absolutely, my man. It's a very good evening after we're seeing this kind of price action. We got Jonathan, Colin, Ermias, my man. The creator, hey Pop, love your videos. Thank you. The creator, thank you for joining us, man. I appreciate your support. James 007, King of Shiba, he says. Make sure to sell it fast. Gashi, man, we don't need any of that around here. Oh, man. GP, how are you doing, my friend? I hope everybody's doing well. After this exciting news, of course, I know a lot of you are here to celebrate. This is an achievement that we need to celebrate. We gotta take advantage of these kind of times. And of course, with that being said, if you're someone who's been pouncing about at 570, 590, even 600 Satoshi units, hey, kudos to you, because guess what? Days like today, when we see a significant run up, are days to start getting, that same excitement that you maybe had when you first got in starts getting reignited. But this is still the very beginning stages of this crypto asset. So let's go ahead and talk about everything. We're up 21% on the day. Coinbase officially listed Shiba Inu, and guess what? They even created a little GIF with it. So ladies, they said, if he barks a lot, loves his leash, leads an army, he's not your man. He's Shib, the newest token on Coinbase. Look at this. It's as if they've been planning some sort of marketing scheme or marketing related to the launch of Shiba Inu. Tell me any other crypto asset that was listed, other than Doge maybe, that had this kind of, an addition of a GIF and that kind of thing. That's pretty cool. So you guys got to admit. And one other thing I know people have been saying around the space are Coinbase is now following one person on Twitter. And I know a lot of you have already seen that. But can you guess who that one person is? It is Shib or Shiba token. That's pretty cool, guys. Our favorite crypto asset is being respected. It's being, basically admired by a lot of these exchanges that are listing us. So this is the kind of thing that we got to look at and say, wow, we have been patient because Shib is something special. Community-driven crypto assets are different. They don't follow the same fundamentals, nor do they have the same tokenomics or fundamental values as other bigger cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, even HBAR, things with their own blockchain and having their own, impacts. But community-driven cryptos have their own space within cryptocurrency. And that's why, guys, man, I am super excited for what the future has in store. So we achieved a lot of the things we've been talking about since day one. When I first started making content on the channel, I told you guys there should be literally a few things that we are looking forward to in the short term that can impact our price action and hopefully change our trajectory moving forward. So what are those things? I said I would love to see if we can have WEBULL list us. You guys know I'm an affiliate of WEBULL. I always talk about the link in the description to get 2 free stocks, yada yada. We're not here to talk about that today. But in addition, we wanted to see WEBULL list. Guess what? They listened. And then Coinbase, it took a few months. After they listed on the Coinbase Pro platform, the delisting made a lot of people during that 3 months, guys, during the last 3 months before the listing today. I know there was a significant sell-off. We saw it bounce up, and when was this? It was back at the beginning of June when we saw the initial run-up after Coinbase Pro listed. But regardless, the fact is that, guys, we had a lot of sideways movement. And I'm hopeful, and I'm very, very curious to see what happens for the rest of the day. But I am very, very hopeful that the price will not only, continue its momentum, and maybe it's consolidating now for the last hour, hour and a half, 2 hours. But what I want to see now is an additional breakout. And so Satoshi, of course, has some news that he's dropping. It just so happened that as soon as Coinbase did announce that they're listing Shib officially today, Satoshi also mentioned that he wants to give some updates to the community regarding some burns and other things. Because again, listings are short-term catalysts. Momentum and, to see momentum and growth for a crypto asset, we need to see utility, excitement, that kind of thing from the development team, from the community, etc. So let's go ahead and talk about that in just a second. But we have 322 people in the chat right now. So if you haven't already, please smash that like button. If you haven't already, we just hit 68,000 subscribers this morning on YouTube. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you also subscribe to the channel, and let's grow our community and family each and every day, guys, each and every day. Appreciate you all so much. So going back to Twitter here, if we go on here, let me make sure I tweet that we're here. SHIBARMY, we are live on YouTube. Oh, let me tag YouTube at YouTube. Let me get the link out. Forgot to do that. Give me 1 sec here, folks. Bear with me. I want to make sure everybody has access to the stream that's on Twitter. By the way, whoever told me to make a Twitter, a big shout out to you, because I'm sure everybody has access to the stream. I don't know. I never made a Twitter till more recently. It's only been a couple months now, maybe a few months. But before that, I was like, nah, I don't really want to, mess with other social media platforms. But it's really helped everything in terms of communication with the community and just talking to everybody from there. It's been fun. So there we go. We tagged it. So if we go to Satoshi's page, or Milkshake is my go-to for Shiba Inu information. So big shout out to Milkshake. But if we scroll down here, you guys will see there were some updates that were directly from the Discord from Satoshi. Let's scroll down and find what he said. Here we go. And I made a video earlier today about this. So if you guys are following me on YouTube, and this might be a little bit redundant, I just want to mention some of the things in addition to the Coinbase listing that we're looking forward to. Shibarium. So if you guys don't know, for all the new investors that might be getting into Shiba Inu just today for the first time, I want to mention a couple things. And what did we get? I just heard the super chat. Sean, my man. He says, Shiba to the dog. Shiba is the dog on the moon, ladies and gentlemen, and I want to visit Shiba World. Hey, and what's up, Pop? My man, Sean, I'm doing good, brother. You know I appreciate your support all the time, so thank you so much for the super chat. And yeah, man, Shiba Inu, I want to see Shiba World happen. That will be absolutely game-changing. But let's go ahead and look at Satoshi, if I can spell. Here we go. Kusama Medium. So for anybody that is new, that might not know exactly what's on the pipeline for phase 2, moving forward through the end of 2021, going to 2022 for Shiba Inu, the one big thing that we're looking forward to is Shibarium, which is also known as it's also going to be known as the layer 2 blockchain. Shibarium is going to be Shiba Inu's own blockchain. So the team currently is working, and I could just literally read this word for word of what Satoshi said, who's the main developer of ShibaSwap. So if you don't know what ShibaSwap is, that's where I do a lot of my personal staking of my Shiba Inu tokens. Currently have over 112 million buried on the swap compared to the about 500 million that I'm holding total. But I've seen some significant gains utilizing the bury feature. And again, it's been pretty awesome. So we'll touch on that in a little bit, but I want to get back to Shibarium. So Satoshi mentioned yesterday on the Discord that Shibarium is coming soon, and updates are always good because it's been quiet. The development team has been very, very quiet. And for any crypto asset, we need to see continued hype around it to keep investors excited. Because guess what? I said this literally, I think it was yesterday, because the price action has been pretty boring with Shib. I said, guys, a lot of people are getting impatient, very impatient, and trying to find other crypto assets to diversify into, And with that being said, they're not diversifying. They're willing to sell out of their positions, get out of Shiba Inu, and invest into another currency because people are impatient, which is understandable because you want to see gains. That's what we're here for, right? Ultimately, we want to make money. The fact is, for those of you who've been patient, like myself, every single day finding the dip to finding out when the dip is, or finding a dip where we increase our position instead of selling out and selling our position, all we've been seeing is, thankfully, over time, higher levels of support and continued news catalysts that are projecting us forward. But there was some worry. Don't get me wrong. When Binance US listed us and WEBULL, there was lack of any movement in Shiba Inu's price, which started to concern me a little bit because I was like, okay, I think I understand what's going on here, but I'm not 100% certain. I think what's happening is, yes, it's getting listed on these main brokerages and platforms, but people who have now access to Shib aren't willing to buy into it because there isn't much excitement or hype around the token at the time of that new listing. Now with Coinbase, of course, it just so happened that Shytoshi sent out a tweet right before talking about burns, because that's one thing that the community has been asking for a really long time now. So we're asking for community-driven or even developer-driven burns, utility-based or not. We just want to see burns because the circulating supply at over 390 trillion, I think it is 390 trillion tokens currently in circulating supply. It's hard for us to see movement in the price action. So when we see things like today, of course, we just have an influx of all these new investors coming in, people who use only Coinbase that are unwilling to use other DEXs or decentralized exchanges. And one other thing is, you guys know Shiba Inu is a ERC20 token. So with that being said, it goes based off of the Ethereum blockchain. So if you're utilizing any swap, if you're using ShibaSwap, Uniswap, Sushi, PancakeSwap, whatever it might be, you get hit with these Ethereum gas fees that destroy your gains. And they are the most bothersome thing, in my opinion. But now what can we do? Instead of worrying about the gas fees, you can buy directly from Coinbase for no gas fees because you're buying from USD or your US dollars directly, or whatever country you live in, you're using your currency to buy Shiba Inu directly, which is one step closer to getting us to where we want to get to ultimately. And you guys know where that is. We want Shiba Inu as a decentralized finance token to have, getting the accessibility, and then once the utility hits and we have, a lot of use cases, we can start seeing it being utilized for e-commerce and other things of that nature, of course. Now, Shibarium is coming soon. Updates are always good, he said. The previous message before that, working out a few details with breeds, and then I think a new medium is in order. So you guys know I'm a huge fan of Shytoshi's mediums because he knows how to excite the community and he knows how to keep everybody engaged. So seeing a lack of communication from him has been pretty bothersome, but I'm glad he gave us these updates yesterday. Last but not least, I have some burn ideas being implemented as well, he said. 3 things that we need to all really appreciate, because when Shytoshi says these things, guys, he always executes, regardless. If you go back in time, from his first message to the last one, he always executes what he says, and that's why I like this man. Regardless of who he is, we don't know who or where, but we know how he does things, which is all that ultimately matters in my book as an investor. So let's go ahead and look into Shibarium, but I just heard, oh man, Mr. Brian Edwards. My man, I appreciate you so much. Thank you for the $50 super chat. People are crazy, man. But Brian Edwards has been one of the biggest supporters of the channel since day one. So Brian, thank you so much. He says, thanks for your positive energy during the dark days. Getting on Coinbase was a huge accomplishment. Congrats, bro. Yes, Brian, congrats to you as well. That's the thing. All I can do is make the content, right? All I can do is come on here and share my feelings about things. But without you guys holding each other accountable. And don't get me wrong, guys, there were days, those dark days, those last couple months of just steady sideways movement, declines, some excitement, then again another decline. It's been tough to hold our positions. But without you guys interacting with me in the comments, giving me, telling me, hey man, where's the video today? If I didn't see those messages on Twitter, on my DMs, whatever it might have been, I wouldn't have had the conviction that I do have. But it's because, again, everything is symbiotic. We all come together and make this happen. It's not just me. And you guys know, recently I made that video confronting Coinbase about Shiba Inu listing. And I guess somebody showed me on Twitter that Coinbase, somehow one of their team members actually got a hold of that video, which was absolutely insane because a week and a half later, we're listed. So these are the kind of things that you guys make happen, and that's the best part of it. So Brian Edwards, man, you know how much you mean to me, my brother. And again, all of the things we've talked about in the past when things were running sideways, I hope now we're going to start seeing in the present and the future. So congratulations, everyone. John Messino, thank you so much for the $5 as well, buddy. He says, yeah, buddy, we are going to Pluto. My man, honestly, from here on out, I'm hoping that we no longer see boring price action. So talking about Shibarium though, real quick. So if you guys don't know, especially for the newer folks that are joining the SHIB Army for the first time, because I saw an influx of a lot of new subscribers today. So if you're a part of that group, just want to let you know, Shibarium, or the layer 2 blockchain, because yes, getting listed on Coinbase is cool and all, but again, to keep the momentum going, we have to have a use case that's going to keep us moving forward outside of these exchange listings. Shiba's own blockchain. Our team has begun working with our friends at XFund to complete the project. There is a large team assigned, to completing this in a timely fashion. It is no easy task to create a working blockchain, but we believe we will complete this task this year as it fits in with the other interlocking components of the ecosystem. Now, Shibarium is going to be crucial, especially for those individuals who don't like using centralized spaces or centralized brokerages. With that being said, I'm talking ShibaSwap. That's still a DEX, a decentralized exchange. Any of these different ones. But the ones that aren't DEXs, like Binance, it's pretty centralized. Again, as a publicly traded company here in the United States, we can consider that a centralized platform. So with that being said, when we see things like Shibarium going live where we don't have to worry so much about these dang gas fees, that's going to be an absolute game changer. That's going to be super inviting for new investors to start utilizing ShibaSwap as a platform to trade, which is going to also help in turn build this ecosystem from the ground up. Because right now we're still in the foundational stage. We're building the foundational pillars for this behemoth of a, again, movement. It's not just one little thing that we're building here. And I think the real investors, the ones who've been here since day one and have been patient, understand that. I didn't understand at the very beginning, but over time I started realizing that holy smokes, this thing can really take off. Big shout out to Arthur, man. Thank you so much for the $10 super chat as well. You guys have all been awesome today, man. And he says thank you with the, I should say not super chat, but super sticker. So I appreciate you so much, man. Man, you guys are all awesome. And Arthur, Arthur, you weren't one of the giveaway winners, but really do appreciate you, man. And thank you so much for your support, my brother. All right, so Shibarium is on the way. We know Shi's on the way. A lot of different things. Shiba conference, right? So one of the big things that they're considering right now is creating a place for all of us as the Shiba Inu community to get together and interact with one another. Now, all this is fun. All this is fine and dandy. I think it's all great, and I love the things that are on the pipeline. But there's a big, big but here that I want to mention. The but is what JD has proposed. And again, guys, I really think for us to see Shiba Inu completely go out of the galaxy and never return to Earth, never ever to sell off, never ever to even consolidate again, just continued price action or increasing that utility, is creating a platform that is a pay-to-play game like Axie Infinity or any of these other ones that are pretty similar. So, if you guys don't know, I had JD on my channel. A big shout out to him. He actually made his own YouTube channel now, which we're going to do some more collaborations together. But he created this idea of Shiba World. And I know Shiba World would literally be, as a solution for this crypto asset, one of the biggest things that will project us way, way beyond the potential that Shiba Inu had once before. And it's hypnophobic. I see you, man. Thank you so much for the $5 super chat, my brother. He says, been a holder since May. Congrats to the SHIB Army. A rising tide lifts all boats. Our time is coming. Look at those words, man. See what I mean by words of encouragement? It's hypnophobic. Thank you so much, my brother. And then we have Jay also dropping a $5 super chat. Thank you so much, man. He says, can you start a petition on change.org for Shiba Inu developers to implement a 10% transactional burn when selling? 5% burned and 5% redistributed to holders. So Jay, I think something like that has already been proposed and it was acknowledged by, I want to say Call, maybe it was Shytoshi. So when it was initially mentioned that they want to see the mechanic, which I think currently the burn and redistribution is seen in Saitama, Ryoshi, there's a few other ones. But my understanding is they're looking for, right now the burn implementations that they're looking forward to and looking to start integrating are more of those the utility burns. That's the big highlighted word that they've been focused on. Utility burns, which again can change our trajectory, in my opinion, completely. So I think the redistribution, I like those. Personally, I would be a huge fan of it, but I think the developers are against it since what I've seen in the past. So again, hope that makes sense. Just giving you kind of my 2 cents on that. All right. So back to what I was saying about Shiba World. So guys, the big thing with Shiba World and JD's proposal is that what's going on right now in 2021, right? What are the hottest things in crypto? NFTs, the non-fungible tokens. Those, any NFT project, and the concept of NFTs, which already blows my mind, especially NFT art. It's just crazy to me that people are paying such amounts of money for NFTs. But things might not make sense in 2021, but in the future, maybe 2022, 2023, things will start coming together, and it's like, oh, okay, because it's pretty futuristic. The idea of all this stuff is futuristic. Now, what I want to make sure I mention is Shiba World, though. Shiba World has, again, a proposal, and again, it was number 5 for him, and he has he created an entirely new Shiba World document that talks about all the different things, the leveling concept, the MMORPG, the game platform. But what was proposed here in the initial article was Shiba World, the ultimate pet simulation game on the blockchain. With the rise of NFT games like Axie Infinity, and if you guys don't know, let me just pull up Axie Infinity to show you what he means by that one. So again, if you know, you know. If you don't know, now you know. But if you guys look at the 3-month chart for Axie, look at Axie Infinity. Let's just look at the 1-year chart. This is again an NFT-based game that's a pay-to-play, which right now has been huge for the gaming community. So again, if you look at the holders, there are only 29,000 individuals that hold Axie Infinity. 29,000. So the question is, where's all this money coming from? It's the gaming platform. So hold on a second. So you're telling me Axie Infinity with 29,000 holder, which is a fraction of that of Shiba Inu's, a fraction, was once upon a time at 50 cents. 50 cents per token. So it hasn't 10x'd. It's not 100x'd. It's over 125x'd in price in the last, how long is that? In the last 8 months. Because what? Pay-to-play games are inviting the new gaming community. And I told you guys, there's a very, very strong relationship between the gaming community and the cryptocurrency community. So if you could find a way to bring those two communities together, it's game over. It's 110% game over. That's how you break the code, basically, right? So with Axie Infinity, again, with the limited amount of holders that they have, what his proposal is again a pay-to-play platform. And with the rise of NFT games and IGOs, the initial game offerings that we've been seeing time and time again, like Axie and the NFT communities, comes the opportunity of a lifetime. We cannot afford to miss a Shiba Inu game with NFT compatibility, says JD. The possibilities are endless for a game, but only if done correctly. And that's the big thing. When proposed to Shytoshi, he was 100% for it. He said, and I quote from a Shytoshi Saturday previously, something along the lines of, that has always been the plan. Who knows what that means? Because again, it's not something that was on their pipeline. It's not on their pipeline. It's not on the white paper. So if this actually comes about, you guys know I'm a gamer. I played games since I was probably 5 years old, and I still do to this day. Very limited amount, but I still game to a certain extent. So if you're telling me they're gonna make a Shiba Inu game that is an MMO, a multiplayer game, an MMO that pays you to play, that helps you, that helps with the blockchain and the transactions, helps build our ecosystem as a Shiba Inu investor, I'm guessing that all of the holders, gamers or not, people are going to want to attempt and look at this platform as a potential place, a potential thing to start interacting with. Potentially, right? That's the big word there. So as said here, this would, in other words, require a lot of innovation and a large talented team. We understand that. Big development team. So the idea would be they would build a land system that could be compatible with the upcoming Shiba Inu NFTs, which are the breeds that Shytoshi talked about in his update. He's currently creating these breeds that are going to be NFT based that people could buy. Among a slew of things you could do in an open world MMO, people could take their pet Shiba Inus around the lands, digging up bones for rewards and communicating with one another via voice chat or even a game chat, whatever chat it might be. So think about Animal Crossing, but with a Shiba Inu twist. Shiba Pets and Shiba Land. So again, guys, for use case, for utility, for something that can literally take this to a completely different dimension, if this happens, JD's vision comes to fruition, Shiba Inu, in my opinion, will definitely 100x. And I understand what that means. It's right now at about $3.2 billion. So if it 100x's, that means by market cap. If that happened today, that it will surpass Cardano as a top 3 crypto asset. Now, does that mean necessarily it's going to, as quick as I would like it to? No, that's not what the point is here. What I'm looking forward to is seeing this happen and progress over time. So from current price and in the future, as the overall crypto market continues to rise, Bitcoin going over $1 trillion, Ethereum possibly going over $1 trillion, even Cardano going over to 500 billion. Why not, right? Why can't Shiba Inu follow in that if they have the use case, especially with Shiba World coming to life? My answer is, why not? I definitely think it could happen. Let me acknowledge some of these super chats because you guys are showing so much love today. Big shout out to the SHIBARMY, man. You guys know you all mean the world to me. Really, because I'm nothing without this community. Literally nothing. So HC, dropping the $10 super chat. Thank you so much, man. HC says, hi Pop, myself Harel. I am from India and holding since May. Thank you. We'll keep believing in you. Man, it's not believing in me, HC. All I do is put you guys on the plays that I'm in, but it's believing in each other. Because again, as a crypto, any asset, as long as the community is well knit, we stay strong with each other. We don't let the naysayers bother us whatsoever. You know what that's going to do to us ultimately? It's going to create buying pressure. And right now, starting with SHIB, this is the thing that's going to interest you all the most. Right now, everything started with Shiba Inu, right? SHIB token specifically, because that's the one that got listed on, that's the thing that got listed on ShibaSwap, or excuse me, on Coinbase. But watch this, guys. I just want everybody to pay attention to Leash and Bone. As all this other news comes about, watch what happens to the remainder of the ecosystem. In my opinion, and again, this is speculation, but Leash, I think, is going to also start slowly but surely rising. Bone will start slowly but surely rising. We're going to see significant gains in these two crypto assets following SHIB's rise with all the new hype around it. All the new hype that's going to be entering the space. It's going to be absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. And I'm so excited. I've been excited since day one, and I know you guys are like, dude, he just does not get tired. He really is doing this for the long. I am. I've been here in May. We started in May, all of June, July, August. We're in September, approaching October. Watch, guys, when it starts snowing outside, I'm still going to have the same energy for this crypto because I believe in it wholeheartedly. And trust me, we would not have been listed on these other exchanges, especially not Coinbase, because as a publicly traded company, they have to ensure that their traders are safe. Yes, crypto assets in general are pretty speculative, but what they have to do is they have to do something that is going to be best for the investors utilizing them. And I'm not talking investors within crypto. I'm talking investors within even their stock, because it's a publicly traded company. They have to be very selective and very cautious of moving forward with any listing on their platform. Because if they list a crypto asset that is a rug pull, that is going to look horrible. That's going to look terrible on them as a company. And guess what's going to happen thereafter? Investors will probably get out and say they're not looking out for the people that are utilizing their brokerage or platform and their centralized exchange, which therefore we shouldn't back this company. And that's not the case, especially not with Shiba Inu, because again, they did their research, they did their due diligence, exactly what you and I did as well, because we put our own money, our own hard work into this crypto asset. And hopefully we're going to see the rewards and the fruits of our labor, man. The fruits of our labor in the near term. Whew. The excitement is real. The excitement really is. And let me give a shout out. I saw Kendesha, man. The Shiba Bone Collector. But hold on, it's just to give me 1 sec. So HC, I got you, man. Tony, Isa, my brother, I'm so glad I held my Shiba. I have been rocking with you, Pop, for a long time, and the Shib Army. I would love to see you hold Saitama as well. Tony, man, you know how I've been. Holding Saitama strong, holding Shiba Inu strong. Love both crypto assets, but today it's Shiba Inu's day. It's a day that we need to all appreciate and just come together and celebrate, man. Cheers to everybody. If you have a drink with you right now, all I have is water because I don't drink, but if you have anything, take your glass, cheers, and take a sip. Congratulations. Oh man, that's good water. Tastes good today. The water tastes good today. Sean says, is there any real chance that somebody from the Microsoft network can get involved with the gaming aspect, seeing as though I am a huge Xbox fan? Sean, I think what we want to see is cross-platform. Imagine that. Kind of similar to Call of Duty Warzone. So I'm a huge fan of Warzone. I play here and there, maybe once a week now. But regardless, cross-platform is the future, allowing something to be played on all the different platforms. I'm talking Xbox, PlayStation, PC, cross-platform. That's what I would love to see. And Destro, love the content, bro. Keep up the great work. I appreciate you, my brother. Thank you so much for the $10 super chat and all your support. You guys are showing too much love. Shiba Bone Collector. Yo, Pops, we've been taking a beating recently, so it's nice to see my account up $9,000 today and still climbing. Holy smokes. That is absolutely amazing. Amazing. Shiba Bone Collector. Congrats, man. You deserve it. Well deserved. One of the biggest bulls, and honestly, I'd consider you a whale. One of the biggest, I don't know, supporters of the channel for sure, but also someone who's a huge proponent and someone who's been super excited about this crypto since day one. Love it. So congratulations to the Shiba Bone Collector. Up $9,000 today. Congrats. Thanks for giving us hope through the dark days. We love you, brother. Kendeja, you know how much you mean to me. Thank you so much for all your support on every stream. I think you're here every single day. So thank you so much. Appreciate you so much. Now, so as an investor, of course, you get happy. We're excited. Coinbase listed us. Super cool. Super fun. They're following Shiba token on Coinbase, creating some GIFs about Shiba Inu. Again, the hype is what we've been looking for. And here it is. The buying pressure is on, folks. So now what? What is the next step? What is next for Shiba Inu token holders? People asked, did you sell on the news? Are you selling? Absolutely not. Transparency, right there in front of you, is my position. It's gone up a little bit since you guys probably saw it last, maybe. But regardless, 438 million tokens that I'm currently holding, and I've been buying up. Told you guys that I had a goal to get to 1 billion. Unfortunately, I did not reach that goal, but I'm right around 550 million total, because I have 112 million that are buried. So the total value there does not include the tokens that are buried. So I have XSHIB times 112 million that I'm using via swap to make some passive income, and then 438 million tokens that I'm currently holding. So am I selling? No way. Come and see me in a couple years, then we'll maybe start talking about taking some profits off the top for Shiba Inu. But no way. Not looking to sell at all right now. Not yet. If it 10x's, we'll take some profits off the top, of course. Don't be silly. You guys know the philosophy. And again, I'll reiterate. You guys know my investment philosophy and investment strategy. Initially, you put your investment in, and not financial advice, but my strategy. Put your investment in. When it doubles up, you're up to 2x. So you got 100% gain. Take your initial investment out of there. Keep the rest in and let it ride the wave. Because now you're no longer playing with house money. So the emotional attachment to the gains and losses each and every day will not affect you. It will not affect you. So I just want to make sure everybody's aware of that's kind of my personal strategy, if you will. BP, oh boy, BPP tax. My man, thank you so much for the $10 super chat too. Says, have you and Shaitoshi talked recently on Discord? In my opinion, Shibarium will be much bigger than Robinhood listing. Shibarium will be a game changer, especially if it has smart contract capability and it's a blockchain that just really comes in and infiltrates the the blockchain technology, and it's also a third generation blockchain. Absolutely, man. Even if it's just for our ecosystem to begin, I think it's going to be a huge game changer. BPP, I hope Satoshi Saturday should be resuming this Saturday evening. So more to come. I've been messaging Satoshi today, and hopefully we're going to get some more of the Q&As coming every Saturday to answer the community's questions and some of my questions as well about Shiba Inu. So again, hopefully that helps and gives some perspective. Brian Edwards, man. What you doing? Sent a message but retracted it. But thank you so much for the second super chat. But man, you really don't have to. Please feel free to just message, and I'll try to also get to as many of those as possible. I see you, George Crozier. Yes, the big thing, guys, that you have to realize is right now, I see George. He says the trolls are out. One thing that we need to know, and you guys should actually don't let any of these fudders or the trolls, the haters, whatever you want to call them, that come in the chat bother you. Because guess what? The ones that are coming in the chat saying nonsense or talking all the smack are the ones that sold Shib at the very bottom, saying that Coinbase will never list Shiba Inu. You guys know that there are people that are in the chat who, those are the ones who sold for a loss. And they regret selling each and every day. So guess what? Let them do whatever they want to do. Let them say whatever they want to say. It never, ever bothers me. Sometimes it could be a little overwhelming, but for the most part, guys, brush it right off and we walk right past it. So for the footers that are in here saying whatever they want to say, let them. Honestly. I know the mods are going to try to take care of them, but it is what it is. Let them do what they want to do, but it is what it is, man. Marcelino says, I hope we 10x this week. Hey, man. We'll see what happens. Momentum is on our side. Let's just hope it continues. Looking really, really good overall, though. Loving the one-day chart. Whew. Anytime we see a sell, we're just eating up the sells so quick. In addition, guys, I don't know if you saw this article. IB Times, I know it's not, the most reputable article or news source, but this here is the next step, right? Because as investors, we always want to look at what's next. What is the next step? Celebrate our wins, just like today. Come on here, have a great time with each and every one of you. Shannon C, I see you. Let's go, my man. I see that excitement. Good morning to you from Sydney, Australia. Welcome to Shannon. Appreciate you, my brother, always. And as you guys can see, so Robinhood hints at getting Shiba Inu on board after Binance lists Shib. This was yesterday, before Coinbase even came out and listed Shib. This article was published. It was trending on Twitter quite a bit within the Shiba Inu community because I saw it all over my feed. And I went and I read it and I was like, okay, there's some things in here that we should all appreciate and kind of hold on to. So let's go ahead and kind of look through this IBT or International Business Times article saying that Robinhood hints at getting Shiba Inu on board. So, because that's going to be the next short-term catalyst for us. What do we got? Phase peak. When do you think Shib will go to 1 cent? Says phase peak. Phase. We'll talk about that. So for me, it's not going to happen within the next year or two. It's going to take, because you got to think about it. Financial, like again, just looking at the overall market, what we need to see is the overall crypto market to rally, right? When people say that that Bitcoin will go to $1 million, $500,000, it's not going to happen overnight. It's going to take some time for that to happen, right? So what we want to see is the stair stepping. The stair stepping to get there. So, because again, if it just flies up in one day, it's going to come down pretty quickly thereafter. So phase, we can definitely discuss kind of, and I'll go back and watch my video that I talked about, price prediction by 2025, because if we're growing at a pace of, I think it was 15% per month, monthly, between now and 2025, we'll achieve that goal. Especially if we implement burns, definitely will. Brian Edwards, strong work, SHIBARMY. We held the line. Now it's on Shib developers to produce and match our tenacity. Brian, very well said, my brother. If Robinhood lists Shib, then Christmas is about to be jolly. Marcelino says it. Let's go ahead and look into it though. So International Business Times was the first to report in July when Binance had shown interest in Shiba Inu and purchased 83.6 trillion tokens, paying more than $500 million hinting that they could be well on their way to list Shiba Inu on their platform. We know all of that happened. After eToro, WEBULL, Coinbase Pro, and Binance listed Shiba Inu, Robinhood is now facing the heat on missing out on the third most talked about cryptocurrency in the world. The third most talked about cryptocurrency in the world. That's not a light title for us to have, man. You guys gotta appreciate it. That's pretty big. That's pretty big. I was gonna go to Coin Market Cap. Wait, here we go. Coin Market Cap most visited. What's the list on today? Because I know there's a bunch of these random tokens that pop in here, but oh yeah, there's just a lot more spam, if you will, than not. But Shiba Inu currently 9th on Coin Market Cap. But going back here, third most talked about cryptocurrency in the world. Trading exchanges want to cash in on the growing popularity of meme coins, and I know they're saying meme. Just ignore that. Among millennials and first-time buyers, exchanges have realized that meme currencies have a potential to bring in bigger revenues in the future, and Robinhood feels they're missing out on the larger part of the revenue share. It's not just Robinhood; a lot of exchanges feel the same way. And now I do see Steve Littleton becoming an elite member. Thank you so much, Steve. Appreciate your support, man. You guys have been exceptional tonight. Really appreciate everybody's support. Much love to the SHIBARMY. Again, congratulations, guys. I'm gonna keep saying that throughout this whole night. It's congratulations to the SHIBARMY. Very well deserved, folks. So let's keep on going, but hold on just a minute. Shiba Bone Collector dropping another 10. It says this is the next step out of many. Expect SHIB to eat a zero in the next 36 hours. Follow up hood listing in before this month is over. I cannot read. Book it, pops. All right, guys, get those down. Eating a zero within 36 hours, according to the Shiba Bone Collector, which I think is very reasonable. And then a Robinhood listing before the end of the month. Now, hey, all I could say is let's read this because I think you got something there for sure. After eToro, WEBULL, so we talked about all that, the trading exchanges, so there's potential revenue, especially with big communities like Shiba's. Obviously, there's going to be big pressure on these brokerages to list because they realize, wow, we have the potential to get in 600,000 plus individuals to start utilizing our platform. And guess what happened? Once WEBULL listed Shiba Inu, and I remember just as an affiliate of theirs, you guys, the SHIBARMY completely just, I think, blew away WEBULL because a bunch of people were using my link, which was just absolutely insane, and I'm very thankful for that. But it was just insane. I remember I even got an email from WEBULL saying, wow, looks like the Shiba community really has been looking forward to this listing. And I was like, hey, all I could tell you guys, I told WEBULL, all I could do is put you guys on the place that I am in. And that was literally it. I told them since day one, I said, hey, you guys need to look into the Shiba Inu community. I'm one of the, I don't know, influencers, if you will, on the YouTube space that talks about Shiba Inu. So go ahead and look into it. And then they realized, wow, that was probably the best thing we could have done for our brokerage. Robinhood, 180,000 plus individuals signed a petition. And now let's look at this whole hinting idea. So trading exchanges want to cash in. Yes, we know that. So Binance US, of course, you guys know, the 14th listed SHIB. Price action didn't budge. But now after Coinbase, we started seeing the jump, up 25% on the day, which is respectable. Respectable for sure. Now, meme currencies have taken a major share of the spotlight in 2021, and mostly millennials and first-time buyers are drawn towards the coin in hopes of making it big and are investing big amounts of money as it's available for less than a cent. So one thing that I also want people to understand and know is what the deal is with millennials and the younger generation investing. And this is the thing that I want to mention to you guys because I think this is gonna blow a lot of people's minds. But did you guys know? Some might know, some might not know. But brokerages and platforms like WEBULL's. Oh, let me pull this back up. Like WEBULL, are currently looking to, tap into the college student, younger retail investor market. So and they reached out to me, they said, they asked me about my analytics. They asked me, what does your channel what did it look like? What is your average viewer age? And for me and my channel, just so you guys are all aware, between the majority of people are my age range. So between the age of 25 and 34 years old. That's where the majority of us kind of sit. There are some people who are above that, significant amount, and people below that. But about 25 to 30% of my viewers come specifically from that age group. WEBULL said, for them, right now, the biggest focus is between the ages of 18 to 25. That smaller bracket. So the fact is that what's been, trending around right now with Dogecoin surge and all this is this influx of youngins, young individuals, young retail investors, even folks who don't have necessarily huge buying power. They have the ability to get excitement out there. Look what Reddit did, for example. Like, think about this, right? With the meme stock era and everything that has happened, or overhyping or overextending certain stocks, certain crypto assets, they realized that the number one way to market anything moving forward now till the end of time is going to probably be using the internet. Social media, period. So I think right now we're at a time, guys, and I know I have to respect and appreciate the platform that I have now with YouTube, because I understand what it comes with, the responsibility that it comes with moving forward, because I've seen it happen. Talk about a crypto asset, talk about a stock that is, maybe it's considered a penny stock or something that is a low micro cap crypto asset, and it jumps up. And that's the power of the internet. We have the power to move crypto. We have the power to move whatever investments that we want to. And that's the thing about it, because as a community together, look at this. We have nearly 1,000 people watching right now, 919 individuals watching the stream. So think about that, guys. These aren't numbers that we can just toss around. This is something that we have to appreciate and respect. And look what it could lead to. It could lead to big community movements. And I'm talking with Shiba Inu, the potential that we have and the things that we have on the pipeline coming our way. It's going to be absolutely amazing. 2021, right? The recovery year. After this the pandemic is still here, I understand that. But after 2020, the amount of people, both my parents lost their jobs during the pandemic, just a side note. And I understand a lot of you lost I have people who message me on Discord, bro, you don't know how much I appreciate your channel. I've been able to start investing instead of having to worry about a job because I got laid off. And because of, the virus and everything going around, I'm uncomfortable going back to the workplace for whatever reason, maybe previous underlying health conditions, whatever it might be. Regardless, the fact is people are now finding a different vehicle to grow their wealth and make an income, which was significantly better. Their quality of life is better. The amount of money that they're bringing in is a lot better. And that's the kind of thing that keeps me super convicted and excited about the space, especially for SHIB token. You guys know, Shiba Inu specifically, the big thing that I like about it is the community that it has, the community that we've developed, the community that we have been building. And days like today are the days we need to come out and talk. You guys know I'm so transparent, and people sometimes call me ridiculous, but I'll come on camera if we're down 15, 20%, if we're having red days, if we're having black days, if you will. But the fact is that over time, I know what the ultimate destination is for this crypto asset. If everything falls into place, and it does, it takes time, more time than sometimes we want. And I know it's hard to be patient. But, one thing that I realized just growing up is that patience always prevails. Because I always say, how many times have I hit the sell button in the past? And I said, if only I would have held on. How many times? Almost 9 times out of 10 after selling something, I'm like, man, if only I held on, I wouldn't have lost any money, or I would have gained a substantial amount more. You guys know I'm always very, again, open about me selling Bitcoin at 5K. Bought Bitcoin around 10 or 11,000 on its run up in 2016, 2017. Sold off, 2017 it was. Sold my position for a huge loss at 5,000. Bitcoin today is at 50K. Bitcoin today is at 50K. So that's kind of what I mean by, patience always prevails. As long as you believe in the things that you're invested in, and only invest money into things you believe in. Because if you don't, you will not buy the dip. But if you do, you will 110% buy the dip. 110%. So I kind of diverged for a second, but I talked about all the different things regarding millennials, the younger generation coming in, because we're changing the game completely, and we are going to keep changing the game moving forward. So now, Robinhood, what's up? A platform that was created literally to start allowing the retail trader, right, the retail investor, to enjoy it. And they kind of gamified it a little bit with their platform, and I actually like it. I like their platform. I know they got some fire for some of the things they did, and I'm against it. But regardless, the fact is man, oh man, they did some incredible things overall. They got me into investing way back when I was in college, so it's pretty cool stuff. But regardless, guys, the big thing is that we need to pay attention to is the responses that people were getting, including myself, from Robinhood. And that is, they said, thank you for reaching out. This is from the article from someone who reached out to Robinhood. But they said, as of this time, Robinhood only supports buying and selling for Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin Cash. Moving forward, we plan to support the ability to buy and sell other cryptocurrencies, especially Shiba Inu, on our platform, and we'll be sure to let you know as more become available. So when we see things like this from Robinhood, we know the listing is inevitable, especially with the amount of people that have requested and petitioned to get it listed. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. Just like Coinbase. I said it was going to happen. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. Look at this, 860 Satoshis. We are going on fire. This is absolute. We might eat a zero. Kadeja or Shiba Inu Collector said 36 hours, but it can happen by end of day. At this rate, 8625. Holy smokes, man. Oh my goodness. Aren't you guys glad you pounced with me? Because when they panic, we pounce. I love it. I love it. So regardless, this is going to happen. It's going to take time, but it's going to happen. Let's see what we got. Oh, Brian Edwards. No, man. You don't have to do that. Holy smokes. Oh, man. Honey Mustard, thank you for the $2. But thank you, man. But Brian Edwards, why? Why? Brian Edwards. A $100 super chat. Holy smokes, guys. Wow, thank you so much, man. Brian, he says, SHIB is strong, but we have a weakness. We don't invest in people. SIDA does. If we invest in people and give back, nothing can stop the SHIB army. Brian Edwards, always dropping the knowledge, man. That's very, very true. Very, very true. One thing that's happening right now, and again, I know we want to focus on SHIB, but Saitama is doing a fantastic job of endorsing individuals to start, branding and marketing their crypto. Shiba Inu organically started doing that. We started seeing celebrities start talking about Shiba Inu, right? Meek Mill got into Shiba Inu. Who was it? Chris Brown. A lot of different celebrities started talking about it, but not directly endorsed by the SHIB development team. So Brian, you are 110% right about that, man. 110% right about that. But man, Brian, really, I appreciate your support, but this is overdue. This is overload. So thank you again so much. And I know, Brian, you're holding Saitama and SHIB. So congratulations, because I know you're significantly up probably from your initial investment. Especially if any of you guys got in around the same time I did for SIDA or SHIB. We're up substantially, thankfully, and I'm very, very happy about that. So, Bryant, thank you so much, man. At the end of the day, it's all love, bro. Bryant, man, it is all love, but I don't know. Bryant, do I have you on Twitter? This is a side note, but do I have you on Twitter, Bryant? I feel like I do, but let me check. Bryant Edwards. I don't know if that's no. Brian, do you have a Twitter? I need to follow you on Twitter, man. We need to just talk. Your support has always been overwhelming, man. Appreciate you so much. Appreciate you. But, and Shiba Inu Collector, what you got for us? Dropping another $10. Oh, hey, Shiba Inu Collector, I need to ask something, by the way. Paper hand sold early, and we're already back at the day's high. Might eat a zero a little sooner. Sheesh. Yeah, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. Karen Robinson, thank you so much for the $5 super chat as well. But really, Shiba Inu Collector, my question for you is regarding SIDA. I was doing a Shiba Inu live stream. This wasn't too long ago. It was probably, a month and a half. But I remember during the live stream, we were talking about SHIB, and Saitama had a significant steep dip, and you said, just sold some bone to buy SIDA. I think that was you. Let me know if you're still holding your SIDA from that day, because if you are, I know you're very, very, very happy right now. So that's pretty awesome. Oh man, 8.7 guys. What's happening with Shiba Inu right now? Oh man, I love it. This is what's expected though. This is the expectation, the excitement. 8726. I love it, man. We should pull up Dextool so we can see the chart. Trading view, Shib USDT. Holy smokes, 869. A little bit delayed it looks like, but whew. Man, oh man. The 1 day chart. Sheesh. Put up technicals, just put up RSI. Here, overview. Oh boy, what a day. 8716. Come on. We'll see it keep pumping, hopefully. Just want to see it pump, then consolidate. Just want to see it keep going. 897 on Coinbase. Sheesh. 897 Satoshis, 869 on CoinMarketCap. We love it, guys. You guys know we do. You guys know we do. 8755. Holy smokes. So going back to Robinhood and Shiba Inu. Oh, I'm so blown away, guys. The response from Robinhood's customer service read, moving forward, we plan to support the ability to buy and sell other cryptos, especially Shiba Inu, on our platform, and we'll be sure to let you know as more becomes available. Also, I need to sneeze, 1 sec. Maybe not. Yeah, no. If I sneeze, I'm sorry, guys. I try to mute when I do sneeze so it doesn't bother you guys' ears. Okay, let's keep going. So, they go in and talk about, so also, just 2 weeks ago, before the Binance listing, Shiba Inu saw whales making an entry position and purchased billions and trillions of token. So just an hour ago, at the time of the article being written, over $1 million purchase was made for Shiba Inu in anticipation of Coinbase. So guys, that's the one thing that I'm pretty happy about is as soon as Coinbase Pro listed, I made a video saying, guys, Coinbase is going to list SHIB. It has to happen. 100% of crypto assets that are listed on Pro get listed on Coinbase. And every single time, without doubt, just, side note or a tip for everybody that is looking to maybe make some easy money on the side is any asset that gets listed on Pro first will get listed on Coinbase and usually significantly jumps up after being listed on Coinbase. Not the Pro, but Coinbase as well. So you guys got to understand, like, it's there. Like, there's a lot of potential, and anytime we see things get listed on Pro, you can make easy money by getting it before it gets listed on Coinbase, and then you can literally sell the news of the listing. So one way to make some significant cash on the side. So now that Shiba Inu is being listed on the top exchanges around the world, the coin's price is expected to shoot up further as many new investors have access to trade. Shiba Inu at the time of publishing was at 678 Satoshis. I made a video last night at 678 saying why I'm not worried. Why I'm not worried. And where are we at right now? 860 Satoshis. Hopefully we're well on our way to continue moving forward. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. And then let's talk about FX Street. Shiba Inu's ready for a new bull run, folks. What do we got? Kandeja, Shiba Bone Collector, says, that was definitely me. Took some profits, but sitting on close to 2 trillion Saitamas. Wow, good for you. Good for you. I remember. That's exactly what it is. See? One thing we could learn from that exact moment, guys. So I told you there was a flash crash, a steep sell-off that was, it was unexpected. So when steep sell-offs occur, and that's why I tell every single one of you guys, only invest. Listen, if there's one thing I want anybody to get out of this stream today, one thing, make eye contact with me for a second. One thing that I want from each and every one of you, please, I'm asking, I'm begging, please never invest into anything that you don't wholeheartedly believe in. Because if you don't believe in anything you invest in, you won't buy the dip. Especially those flash crashes in cryptocurrency. They happen all the time. Those are the times that you need to be right there ready to execute. Because those who believe in things and have conviction for them will buy on the dip. They'll buy on the dip. So you guys got to make sure, man. You really got to make sure that you only invest into the companies, into the cryptocurrencies, into whatever it is in only the things that you believe in, because if you don't, you won't buy the dip, and then you'll end up super frustrated, upset with yourself, and again, unhappy with your choice, and also with a lot of regret and heartache. So again, only invest in the things you believe in. Kandeja, the Shiba Bone collector, showed us what that looks like, and did so by increasing the position when it did correct and flash crash. And that's what I was doing each and every day with Shiba Inu, as we saw the correction, we saw the consolidation, we saw the 570s, the 600s, and then I told you guys, when they panic, we pounce. I literally reiterated time and time again, and finally we're starting to see a complete change in trajectory, complete change in everything moving forward for this crypto asset. So, not trying to get ahead of myself, but things are looking fantastic. 8727, let's keep it going. I'm going to keep looking at the price, just a quick glance here and there. But what I want to talk about is FX Street, my favorite area, because they have wonderful technical analysis. They do all the things, because you guys know I like to look at RSI and other indicators. Sure, it's good to, but this here gives us kind of perspective on why Shiba Inu is ready for a new bull run. And mind you, this was before Coinbase's listing. Before that even happened. We have 1,041 people in the chat right now. 1,041 people in the chat. That's absolutely insane. So if you guys haven't already, you guys know what to do. Smash that like button, and there's a little Your Pop subscribe thing at the bottom. I can't. Right there. Down below. Hit that subscribe button as well. Join the family. Join individuals that are all like-minded, that are here to make money. That is ultimately what we're trying to do. Build financial independence, financial freedom, and generational wealth. Each and every day we get one day closer by learning something new and discussing it with one another, especially on these kinds of streams, and just having great conversation across. So big shout out to each and every one of you guys that are in here right now. But let's keep it going. And XRP NDMT. My bad that I missed it earlier, but thank you so much for the $1 super chat, my man. Appreciate your support too. And I think I might have missed one more. Santa Lee, why does crypto.com say 123509130? So that's one thing that you guys have to understand. Different brokerages and different exchanges don't all follow the exact same algorithm for pricing. There's a little bit of difference here and there. So crypto.com might have a little bit higher. Even if you go on Coinbase, Shiba Inu, Coinbase, Shiba Inu. Right here. Look at the price on Coinbase. If they show. See, on Coinbase it says 912. So there could be just a little bit of a delay here on CoinMarketCap. 8826. Things are looking fantastic, folks. But again, not everything is exactly the same at the same time. So make sure you guys do understand that. Hope that makes sense. So let's keep it going. FX Street. So Santa Lee, hope that helps. Back in the 9, says Chad. Chad Redding's in the chat. So much excitement today, Chad. I know this is the day that you're congratulating all the people that are subscribed to the channel, but really the Shib Army, everybody, everyone that's here right now, the 1,000 plus of you guys, congratulations. You guys are the reason this happened. It wasn't just me. It wasn't just you. It's all of us collectively coming together and putting pressure on these individuals and letting them know, hey, at least do your research and due diligence about what this crypto is all about. So much good things are happening, and I'm excited for this week's Shaitoshi Saturdays because I want to specifically ask about questions for Shiba World, and because again, with an initial game offering and an NFT-based gaming platform that's an MMORPG, something that is going to be super interactive for the community, is going to change our trajectory completely. But we've talked about that. But again, one more thing for those who maybe are coming in later, just something that someone mentioned earlier on the chat. Coinbase is following one person, one single person on Twitter. It is Shib Token, Shiba Token. So guys, I think they're just showing the love. They're showing that, you know, they understand it was frustrating for us as investors and as the community because we've been asking them to list this for so long. But look, they even created a little GIF or GIF, however you want to pronounce it. I know there's, you know, controversy there, but regardless, they said, you know, adding some jokes here and there, some satire, but they understand that this is a big crypto and it's huge. Like, with the community backing that we have, it's absolutely insane. And the social media presence with SHIB, no other crypto asset can even come close. Not Bitcoin, not Cardano, not Ether. No. Shiba Inu is number one in terms of social media presence. Don't at me. there's no going from there. Man, oh man. Vibi Vargas. Vibi. Our time has come. You're pop. Let's go. Our time has come, man. Our time has definitely come. It has arrived. 912 Satoshis. Can we eat a zero today? That would be the absolute cherry on top of everything. Eating up a zero and holding over 1,000 Satoshi units. That would be absolutely insane. Now, to talk about the bull run that is imminent for Shiba Inu. And again, guys, this article was published before Coinbase's listing. And they said Shiba Inu gets listed on Binance US. SHIB price recovers from the loss posted over the past week. The Shiba Inu themed token is one of the top 10 most mentioned cryptos on Twitter, alongside Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, and ADA, or Cardano. Shiba Inu CEO reveals that Shibarium, Shiba L2, or the Layer 2, using Bone as a native token is currently under development. Over 650,000 holders, of course, but the new exchange listing and development updates push Shiba Inu's price higher, says FX Street's writers. Coinbase Pro listed Shiba Inu on its exchange platform nearly a week ago. Since then, the token has been listed on the world's largest crypto exchange, Binance US. The exchange announced SHIB's listing earlier on Thursday. So when Binance listed, there wasn't that much excitement. The price action did not really significantly get impact. But that's okay. Didn't bother me because I knew Coinbase's listing was coming. So I made a video because I talked about Binance's listing, right? And people are like, dude, why is the price not moving? And again, I like using my videos as timestamps because, again, that's the best part of this whole YouTube thing and making content is that I can always go back and show you guys, hey, this is what I said and this is what actually happened. And oftentimes, again, not always 100% right, because if I was, Shiba Inu right now would be at what, all-time highs and higher, but it's not. But right here, when I said Binance dropped a bombshell, we went from that, if you watch the video, and I talk about why I'm not worried about the sideways movement in price action. We need more engagement from the developers, which we've been receiving today, in addition to the Coinbase listing, of course. Let's keep going on this article. And a big shout out to Matt. Matt, thank you so much for the $1 super chat. Yep. Thank you so much, brother. Appreciate you. James McNeil says, can we hit 600 likes? Oh boy, with 1,200 people in the chat, I think we can do it. I think we can do it. Crazy. You guys are going to start getting me a little bit nervous. You guys are making me nervous now. Holy smokes. All right. New exchange listing and development updates. We talked about that. So following the listing announcement, SHIB's price increased by 3%. Nothing significant, and the token is trading at 673 Satoshi units at the time of the writing. Again, since then, it's obviously jumped up pretty significantly. Up over 28% probably since the time of the publication. Further, the social media mentions of the Shiba Inu themed cryptocurrency having to hit a peak in the past few hours. SHIB ranks in the top 10 highest mentions on crypto Twitter over the past hour, which we know since the Coinbase listing, it's trending as number one. Social media mentions are considered an indicator of market sentiment for a token. Historically, when a token is experiencing a strong price rally, mentions by a crypto community on Twitter hit a peak. When they hit a peak on Twitter, oftentimes we see a fear of missing out, which will extend a rally that might have started. So for Shiba Inu, the first thing we saw was, again, if we look at today, there was an initial rally where it went from 660 to 740, and then a little bit of a correction, but it didn't even have time to really correct before the hype kept extending. Small correction, extension. So again, the fact is that right now the sentiments, the overall vibes for SHIB are extremely bullish. And Satoshi couldn't have picked a better day to come out and say, guys, Shiba Inu right now with layer 2, it's on the works. An update is coming from me and the developers regarding our crypto asset and the progress that they're on with the NFT based, the breeds and the NFTs that they're currently making. Lots of good things, guys. Lots of good things. Back to the article. Historically, when a token is experiencing strong blah, 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 mentioned that. So this implies that Shiba Inu is currently on track for a breakout based on the spike in social media mentions. So again, what they're looking at is overall top 10 most mentioned cryptocurrencies on Twitter, amount of tweets in 60 minutes. So again, they're just looking at the time of when they made this. So Shiba Inu was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th. Right now, I think it might be number 1, if not the top 3 or so. The boosted trader sentiment towards SHIB can be attributed to the token's new updates. Satoshi, the CEO and the head of Shiba Inu's ecosystem, revealed on Shiba Inu's Discord that Shibarium and Shiba Inu's Layer 2 is coming soon. Overall, the developments in SHIB ecosystem have positively impacted the token's price. So, FX Street analysts have evaluated where SHIB is headed next, as the token is primed for a rebound. Analysts predict that SHIB could rally to 900 Satoshis, which it actually did, right after the time of the article publication, because again, that was just due to Coinbase. So they didn't factor in the Coinbase listing to this. So that's why I think 1,000 Satoshis is a lot more sensible. So again, we can still expect more upside, hopefully in the short term. If this holds the key support, because at the time it was undergoing a correction, and we didn't want to see it fall below 580 Satoshis, because you guys know that's our favorite buying point for SHIB. Is 580 to 600 Satoshi units based off of previous patterns and previous support. And that's that. So again, things are looking pretty bullish for SHIB. I want to say congratulations once again. You guys are the ones who made this happen. The SHIB army, the Shiba Inu community. If it wasn't for you all, none of this would have been possible. It's not from me. It's not from the guy next. No, it's us collectively coming together. It's the Chad Reddings out there. The Chad Reddings. It's everybody coming together, just creating awareness, creating an environment for people to start discussing this crypto asset and understanding what's on the pipeline and what's to come. So that's really what made all this happen. 100%. 110% actually. Craig Davidson says, digging the blue blazer, pops. I had to get the blazer out. I used to record in this a lot more than I do now, but yeah, I brought it out today, man. It was a day for congratulations. So appreciate it though. Thank you so much for the $5 too. But man, it's awesome. Cheers again, everybody. I got my glass of water. Your beverage of choice. Big cheers right here. Clink. Oh man, that's good water. Whoa, I think we could do. We're almost at 700 likes now. Holy smokes. This might be the most liked stream to date. 1,200 people? Dude, I think we're breaking the YouTube algorithm right now. Holy smokes. If you guys haven't already, James McNeil said it, Arthur said it, Chad said it. Make sure you guys smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Holy smokes. Chad said if we get to 1,000 likes, we eat a zero. Not financial advice. I love it, Chad. I love it. Oh man, oh man, oh man. It's getting hot, huh? Whew. It's getting hot in here. Such good news, man. Good sentiments, good vibes. What we've been looking for. Anthony. Thank you so much for the $5 super chat. He said we need Saitama as a pair on ShibaSwap. That'd be a cool addition, man. That'd be a really cool addition. I would love to see it personally. I would use it all the time, of course. As a liquidity pair, oh man, I would love it. Aldo Garcia says, let's burn a zero on this live. Wouldn't that be something? That'd be absolutely insane. Let's pull up Dex Tools, or what do we have? Trading View. I have so many tabs up. What am I doing? Here. Ship USD. The buying pressure. Yeah, let's use Dex Tools. Oops, pulled off grapefruit there. 8692 on Dex Tools. What's it say on CoinMarketCap? I wonder. 8702. And another thing, guys, another thing that I want to mention is realize that the market right now is consolidating and undergoing a slight correction. So make sure you guys are aware that if the market picks back up, which I'm hopeful that it will tomorrow, after a little bit of a correction today, hopefully nothing too severe, then that's going to also help Shiba Inu's price moving forward. So right now, this is completely just based off sentiments and news. So again, if the overall market sentiments are high, that's going to help us for sure and get us moving even higher. So let's see what happens there. Let's definitely check out and see what happens. So yeah, let's look at the chart here. I drew a few lines there. Oh, I think I missed some chats. Nathan West. Oh, an OG. Nathan, I remember you, man. Your content is elite, bro. Diamond hands all around. The next zero is going to be eaten soon. Oh, man. I would love it. I would love it. And Shadowmock says, let's go. Pop SHIBARMY. Put a black hole in the YouTube algorithm. You guys are, I don't know what's happening right now, but this is like the influx of people. Holy smokes. I don't know, man. Somehow we break this mysterious algorithm, and then I think we just broke it. We broke the algorithm. Why does the chart look so weird? What am I looking at? The 15-minute, that's why. Let's look at the 1 day. Oh, not the 3 day. Let's look at the 1 day chart. Appreciate you though, Nathan West. Thank you for the $5. And John Burnett, what's up? What's up, bro? Are you still supporting Ryoshi Vision? Go Shib. John Burnett, I'm still holding my Ryoshi, man. There's just really been no news that I saw. I haven't been contacted or I haven't been told anything. So just holding right now. So absolutely. Absolutely. Love their tokenomics. Love the fact that they are working so well with Shib. So again, gotta love it. Crazy, man. Look at the day candle here. Beautiful. Look at that green candle. That means at the very bottom, where were we? 650 at the very top, right at 900, just at pretty much 900 Satoshis. Love looking at the day. Ho, ho, ho. It's been rough though, guys. It's been so rough. I'm hopeful that we will break. So we have resistance right here, 905, right around 905. If we can break that, hoo-wee. Oh man, that'd be absolutely amazing. Ariel dropping to $10. Thank you so much, Ariel, for the $10 super chat. Ariel says, what you think, Pops? Stake SHIB on crypto.com at 2% APR return. If we do this, its only logic is that crypto.com purchases more SHIB to reward stakers. 2% APR, 2%. So Ariel, my question for you is the 2% return, a 2% return based off of, do they pay you back in SHIB or do they pay you back in a different, in USD or different currency like Ethereum? That's my question. Because you're totally right if that's the case. If they're going to be rewarding you back with SHIB, very possible. And Heavy Metal Chef dropping the $5 super chat. Thank you so much, Heavy Metal. Appreciate your support, my brother. And DeWait Touch. DeWait, thank you so much for the $10, man. Most people get paid Friday and Monday. Boom. Great content. Keep it up. It's true, man. It's true. The buying pressure is on. The buying pressure is really on. But we really gotta figure out a way. We have to. With this run up on this kind of sentiment, we have to break the resistance, guys. We've seen resistance here how many times at 900? 1. July, or that's June 15th. June 29th. And then August 16th. And today. We have to see it. It's literally a must. If it doesn't happen, it's going to be tough for us to keep our momentum and keep the price action moving. So I'm hopeful, and I think we could do it together. Diamond hands, folks. I know hopefully there's not too much manipulation and too many paper hands, but man, I just hope we can break that resistance. But it's strong though. That wall is strong. And Ariel says yes in SHIB. Oh wow. If that's the case, then Absolutely. The thing is with that, Ariel, is I'm not sure exactly how that works for crypto.com. Because for me, it's, I use ShibaSwap. You guys know I love ShibaSwap. So I'm currently bearing 112 million. So staking 112 million SHIB token. And my Bone APY is 100%. So Ethereum APY is 684%. The SHIB APY 1.74. So maybe a little bit in terms of the SHIB annual percentage yield. It's a little bit less than crypto.com's, but it's still pretty significant. Still pretty significant, and I don't know, keeps me pretty excited. So I only use this platform, and again, that's just me. And I'm also using the liquidity, the liquidity pool. So I have some tokens provided in LP, but that's Bone and Ethereum. So up to 165 bones that I've currently that are woofable, ready to go, but I'm just holding them in there, and I'm not woofing because those dang gas fees. I'm personally waiting for Shibarium to go live before I even think about woofing the Bone and reinvesting it into the ecosystem. Man, you guys are going nuts today. Thank you guys all so much for your support. And Ariel, I hope that makes some sense though. Kyle Bolden drops to $10. Been following you for a minute, Pop. Ship to the moon. You need merch with holy smokes on it. Man, people have been saying I need holy smokes. That's a new one, but I do say holy smokes a lot. I've seen holy smokes. The other things I've seen were when they panic, we pounce. I know people are saying that we should get some merch. I have ideas, man, but I don't know. I want to. I'd be so down because right now I have the merch line that I launched that my wife actually designed, and it's on. We run that through Teespring, so it's right down there. It's connected to the YouTube page, but I don't know. Yeah, that one was just pursuit of purpose for your pop, right? The pop in your pop is that pursuit of purpose, and that's the whole thing with it. Yeah, there's G Money said it. When you need one when they panic, we pounce. Exactly. Hey, we've been pouncing every single day, man. Every day. DeWitt Touch dropping another $5. Crypto.com pays back 2% in SHIB if you stake SHIB. You get your SHIBs weekly, 3-month APY, not yearly or monthly. Must be a crypto card holder. Oh, okay. Got you, DeWitt. Yeah, I mean, then of course, then that means that the brokerage, right? That the DEX or centralized exchange has to buy up tokens to pay you out in. So that's pretty interesting. Huh. That's a very unique point though from Ariel that you brought up. But it has some true basis. I think it has some potential there for sure too. So pretty exciting. And I think again, if enough people utilize crypto.com and staking, because again, the big thing that's making Cardano literally blow the charts in the last while is the fact that Cardano did a good thing, allowing, people are utilizing the stake features within the Cardano community and, their blockchain. So that created some significant price action for them. So what we need to see is more people utilizing the swap, utilizing the stake features on this, which I've been doing since way back in June. So it's been 3 months now. And there's about $245 million currently locked, total value locked, on ShibaSwap. So that's pretty cool stuff, man. That's the kind of thing we're looking forward to. And Kaj, thank you so much for the $10 too. Or what is that, 10 euros, man. Thank you. It says ship to the moon. When they panic, we pounce. Kaj coin is also looking pretty good. It's a coin I believe in. I mean, Kaj coin for Kaj, it makes sense. It rhymes and I don't know, it works. But yeah, man, when they panic, we pounce. We've been here since the first day. I love it. Heavy Metal Chef says coffee cups, please. Okay, we'll do something, man. I've definitely game. I want to launch my own website. So anybody that is on here right now, there's 1,205 individuals on this live stream, which is absolutely insane. My goodness. Holy smokes, right? But if anybody is good at building websites or building, that kind of thing, a website with a POS system, if anybody knows how to do anything like that, please reach out to me. Reach out to me if you're a web designer or anything, because I do want to take this to the next level, but I want to work with somebody that is part of the SHIB army. That's one of the things I wish is someone from the SHIB army and someone that has the time to dedicate to it. And it could be, something that we work together, whatever. If you have a good vision, you're someone who's a designer, web designer, and also even merch designer, whatever it might be, hit me up. Let's work together. I want to help you out, but you're going to obviously be helping out the channel, helping out the community. So let's make something, man. Hit me up if you know anybody that can, or if you are. So big shout out. Bonilla dropping the $10 super chat. Thanks so much, Bonilla. Appreciate your support. Man, today has been so fun. Big smiles everywhere. I could tell. I know people right now are watching. I know you are. I know you watching right now. I know you got a little smile on your face. If you don't, now you're maybe smiling a little bit. Yep. Ah. Oh man, it's fun. It's fun. Almost to 900 likes. Sheesh. If you haven't already, James has been saying it. You guys know the motto, man. Smash that like button so we can hit that algorithm. And when they panic, we pounce. Guys, there's 1,200 of you. I think you guys know what we need to do. And you guys have been showing so much love with super chats. So it's time to do a giveaway, folks. There's too many people here and we can't let this opportunity pass up. We got to do a giveaway, especially here. Do we do it elite members or do we do everybody? That's always the hard thing about the giveaways, guys. But I think today we got to do a giveaway with how much love we've been seeing, how much people have been showing, man. We got to do it. We got to do it. Sumani says, hi, YouTube. I love it. Brian Edwards, oh man, dropping another $25. He says, you don't see yourself the way we see you. You have a special charisma. That's why the haters come for you on Twitter. You have a brilliant future, bro. Stay positive. Brian Edwards, I appreciate you so much, man. I appreciate you so much. Really. And you know, I embrace everybody. If it's a hater, I'll try to acknowledge them, give them, I don't even call them haters. I think this is what I consider a hater. I think what a hater is, or a troll, right? A person who comes in and just, types whatever they want to type and leave. Those are the folks that sold their shit. Those are the ones that sold at the bottom at 570, 590, 600. Those are the ones who didn't believe that this crypto would prevail. And now that it did, now when it sees success, they are bitter. They're bitter about it. But guess what? Just like you left, it's just as easy to come back in. That's all I gotta say. Because this community is not slowing down. 2021 is the first year of growth. 2022 is gonna be even bigger. 23, 24, keep counting, 25. This is not just it's not a short-term thing. It's not 1 day, 2 days. It's not a pump and dump. That's not how the price action works for big projects. Look at Bitcoin. Look at Ethereum. Look at Cardano. Over the last few years, the last few months, it takes time for these cryptos to do well. So that's all I gotta say. Brian, appreciate you, man. All right. So, again, to always show love, you guys know one thing that I've been doing lately is I started doing giveaways. Giveaways on the streams. So lately it's been on more Saitama related streams, but today I want to do one for the Shiba Inu investors and the elite members in the channel, because I see a lot of you in here and that's the only way to really differentiate, because there's over 1,171 people in the stream right now, which is crazy. And Vibi says, I call all my haters fans because you're popular and you got a lot of fans. Vibi, man. Vibi, you're a legend, bro. Honestly, you really are a legend. But this is what we're going to do, guys. We're going to do a Shiba Inu giveaway. I hate to give away my SHIB token, but for you guys, as long as you... this is the one condition I have. You can do whatever you want with it, ultimately. But the one condition I have... Or here, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it in a poll. Look at my brain is... I literally try to process, but I talk too quick. And yeah, I'm not processing. So give me a second. This is what I'm going to do. Because Shiba Inu's gas fees, if I try to send SHIB, it's going to be insane. So for everybody, by the way, that was part of the giveaway, so I gave away, I think it was 300 billion Saitama, which today it's $1,500 on a stream. On that day, it was $500, $600. No, that day was $300, I think. But it went up that much, that quick. So congrats if you held. So all I ask is what we're going to do, instead of sending SHIB and Saitama, because gas fees and I have to find the right time to send, or I'm charged $200 to send it, what I'm going to do is Ethereum giveaway. that's okay with you guys. Just straight Ethereum, no gas fees from my Ethereum wallet to your Ethereum wallet. Boom. That's the easiest way to do it. Cheap transactions, makes it easy. Everybody has an Ethereum wallet address, I hope. So this is what we're gonna do, folks, for the giveaway. What I'm gonna use is this random number generator. It's called an RNG. The random number generator is between 1 and whatever number I want it to be, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna give out some Ethereum to show you guys as much love as you guys do for us. Why not do a giveaway to all of us? Cajun. So this is the thing, Cajun, is that the fact that there's people who are, I don't want to say because you guys are all subscribed and showing a lot of love, but one thing that I want to do that's specifically for the elite members is at least show them, hey, we have, I have a way to give back, basically. So what I'm gonna do is this Ethereum giveaway, and we'll do two options. So $100 of Ethereum. I'm trying to do some math. Give me a second. $100 Ethereum giveaway, or we could do $3 $40 Ethereum giveaways. What would you guys prefer? What do you guys prefer? Let's put a poll. Giveaway. Preference. 100 Ethereum or 3 times $40 Ethereum. Add option. None. Oh, I added an option on accident. Just ignore that last option. But here are the options. It's coming in the chat in just a second. Let's see. Let me know what you guys think. From those three options, which one, from the two options, which ones would you guys rather do? A $100 Ethereum giveaway for one person, or 3 $40 Ethereum giveaways for 3 people? You guys stuck around. I know a lot of the names who I've seen. You guys have been here since the very beginning. And so this is one other way we could do it. I know what I would vote for, but hey, I can't vote for the poll. Let's see. 190 votes. Holy smokes. 212. Oh man, it's close. It's close. 37% for the $100. 55% for the, oh, no, it's not close. Most people want the 3 $40 giveaways for, okay, we'll leave it up for a little bit longer. One other thing, because I'm trying to be fair, guys. I know being fair is hard. Oh man. Oh boy. Shiba Bone Collector, I see you. Oh, and RD Price, what's that? Should I join now? RD. Give me one sec. Appreciate the super chat though, man. Shiba Bone Collector, you can hate on Shib all you want, but you must have a serious problem with yourself in order for you to hate on your pop. Oh man, that means a lot to me. Thank you so much, Kandeja. He's always positive no matter what. People can be people though. Thank you for the kind words. And Jonathan, Musselman. I like the name, man. Musselman. That's a cool last name. Thank you for the $5 super chat too. Kandeja, you're a rock star. Kandeja, I don't know if you were here on the stream, but we were somehow, somewhere we were looking at your restaurant. I forget how that happened. I think it was because on Twitter. Was it on Twitter? We were looking at your restaurant somehow in California. But it was funny how it happened. Anywho, so it looks like the majority of people want 3 $40 Ethereum giveaways. So we're gonna do them and we're gonna give it away before we end the stream. Because guess what? It's from my Ethereum address to yours. We'll do it all via Twitter, but let's go ahead and get started. So what we're gonna do, and guys, I promise that I will do some giveaways for the entire stream, but today's giveaway will be for the elite members. So what does that mean? Just so everybody's aware and knows what that means, you don't have to do this, but again, just if you want to be a part of the giveaway, you can. But what it is, let me pull up my stream here. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Sheesh, 1,000 people. That's so crazy. What? 999 likes. We need one more like to hit 1,000 likes on the stream. Holy smokes. Dude, that's so crazy. Wait, 998. One went away. How did a like go away? I guess you can unlike a video. 1K likes. You guys did it, man. Shout out to the entire army. Thank you guys so much for making it happen. We did it. Hey, Chad said it. If we hit 1,000 likes on the video, we're gonna eat a 0 for Shib. So we'll see. We'll see where it goes. Right now, 845. A little bit of a down. Small correction. Nothing I'm worried about. But let's see what happens. So we're doing 3 $40 Ethereum giveaways. Shout out to Daniel for joining the elite member club. So how can you get in on the giveaway for Ethereum today? And guys, by the way, I started doing these more often. So this is, I think, my second one this week. But I want to start doing them at least twice a week, maybe more. It all just depends on how things are going. Okay, 1,100 likes. Holy smokes, you guys are insane. Much love. Okay, so all you got to do, you scroll down right below. There's this little join button. And again, you don't have to do this, but if you want to join and become an elite member to be a part of the giveaway, all you got to do is click the join button, and then you could join the YourPop army. Now, what does that even mean? What does a channel membership have aside from the giveaways? So for me, there's people who have Patreons and things of that nature. I also have a Patreon, but I don't necessarily use it as often as I would like. But one thing I'm always using and I'm always on is YouTube. Every day I'm on YouTube. So the fact that they allowed this is a place for me to communicate with the elite members separately. So I can say, you know, if I'm buying a new crypto, I'll mention it. If I'm selling a crypto, which I have not been selling really anything, I can mention that too. But the big thing is I can give those buy alerts or give people information before I even make a video about it. So tomorrow I'll be making a video about one of what I think would be the next 100x potential altcoin because of its competitive advantages in terms of transaction speeds and everything else. So if you want to be a part of the giveaway, hit that join button and let's go ahead and get started. I'll give everyone just a few minutes while we look at the chart to go ahead and join, and then we'll do the RNG, the random number generator, to pick our 3 winners for today. So go for it if you'd like. A big shout out, and I think we got, RD. Thank you so much for joining, man. RD Price and Daniel. Appreciate you as well. Man, this has been an insane stream. Dude, 1,100 likes. You guys are awesome, man. James McNeil, appreciate your support, man. So supportive, the elite members. And also for any elite member, you also, I'll give you moderator status to do that with. Brian Edwards. Wait, what are we laughing about? What did I miss? C. James Ford. Sorry I missed your super chat, but thank you so much for the $10, my brother. Appreciate you, man. All right. Give it a couple more minutes and then we'll go ahead and get started. Meanwhile, let's go ahead and prep the spreadsheet. You guys know we love our spreadsheets. Let's go with this, Google Sheets. So just so you guys are aware what it looks like, this was the giveaway. When was this giveaway? This was the giveaway from four days ago. 4 days ago, we did a giveaway, and our winners were Metal Chef, Rajendra, Yashi Boy, Levi McMahon, and STNRJ. By the way, for the 5 winners, I hope you guys are okay with it. I'm going to be messaging you guys after the stream today to let you know that I'll probably just be paying you out in Ethereum because the gas fees have been insane, and then you can either hold your Ethereum or buy whatever you want with it. So I hope you guys are okay with that, although it was a giveaway for Saitama tokens. These gas fees are just killing me. Like, I tried, but I would pay over $700 in gas fees to send you each 10 billion, or what was it, maybe 30 billion Saitama tokens. I'll have to go back and check to see how much, which of the giveaway was. You might have to all remind me too. But let's go ahead and get started and get the list going. So today is, we'll start from today, column D. So for all the elite members, let me know that you're here. Vincent Haynes, welcome, and Light, welcome as well. Thank you both for deciding to partake in the elite membership, and I hope it brings you guys some sort of value in addition. So thank you both. But let's go ahead and get started. All right, let me go ahead and end the poll. 47. Oh, hold on a second. 47% of people want the $40, and 42% want the $100, just the one giveaway. It's still, yeah, the 3 wins. So we're gonna end it now. So end poll. All right, here we go. Let's get all the elite members. General Shib, thank you so much for the $5 super chat too. Love the name, man. General Shib. All right, we got Dustin Kapler. Dustin, always representing. I think you were in the last giveaway, but I don't know if you, I guess not. So we got Dustin Kapler. Who else we got? George, my man Orc Cloud Shot. George Crozier. Shadowmox. Shadmox, sorry. Number 3, number 4, Stevie Littleton. Number 5, Brian Edwards. Aldo Garcia. My man Aldo. Anthony Lem. I'm just gonna put Lem. I want it to fit in the box. Time Alone. Who else we got? I know there's a lot more of you in here. Artie Price. Ellen. The main girl, Ellen. James McNeil. Who else we got? G Money, all caps. Vivi Vargas, I got you. Vivi. C James Ford, got you, my man. Man, shout out to the elite members though. You guys are deep. Hey Pat, thank you so much for joining. We got Pat in here. We got Matt. Heavy Metal. All right. Light N. George Eagle. Sheesh. The team is deep today. All right, we got 19 people. 1 in 19 chances. Oh, 3 in 19 will get it. So what is that? 3 in 19? Never do math on a stream, right? Oh my goodness. Let's just do 3. 15% chance of winning. That's pretty decent. 15%. 15%. I think that's everybody though, right? Arthur Larkin. I can't forget you. Arthur Larkin. All right, folks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 winners will be decided. Dustin Kapler, George Crozier, Shadmox. Did I miss anybody from the elite members? Jonathan Beals. All right. I see you. Jonathan Beals. Pat at the buzzer. Marky Mark. Oh man. All right, we'll give it at least 2 more minutes for people to. If you're not here, I mean, if you haven't said that you're here but you're an elite member, please let me know so I can make sure that you're in. I don't want to miss anybody. WMS Motors. Marky Mark. I think I spelled that right. Marky Mark. Where are you? I'm not on the list. Daniel. Good old Daniel. All right, everybody. Did I miss anybody? Shannon C. How can I miss Shannon? All right. Okay, 25. That's a very reasonable number. Steven Spataro. What is that? Spataro. Steven Spataro. The elite members right now are like, all right, dude, just get started. Shannon. All right, guys. Time for the giveaway. The giveaway. All right, Marky Mark. I don't know what's happening, but I'm excited. We're doing a giveaway, man. We're doing a giveaway. The bigger picture, Frawley. Oh, I got you, Frawley. Frawley. The bigger picture, Frawley. Crypto Tip, just joining too. All right, Crypto Tip. Man, welcome. We got 7 new members. Holy smokes. All right, guys. I think we got it all. He said less pounds. All right, let's do it. G Money's in. Everybody's in. Hopefully I didn't miss anybody. So we got number 1 through 29. What is that? 28. Sorry. 28 individuals. All right, folks, here we go. Elite members, it's your time to shine. Random number generator. All right, I wish I could make this like a game show or something. 28. Let's go ahead and review one more time. 1 through 28. I think that's right. Oh, hold up. Muzzleman, Jonathan. Jonathan, catching the bell. Jonathan Muzzle. I'm just gonna write Jonathan Muss. All right, here we go. Danny Linares. All right, cool. We should have some music in the background, huh? If only YouTube wouldn't flag it. Yeah, what's that? Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Dun, 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 dun. All right, here we go. Ready? RNG 1 through 29. 1 through 29. All right, the first winner of $40 worth of Ethereum is going to be, shout out Danny, by the way, for the super chat. The first winner is the lucky number 20. Who could it be? Number 20. Arthur Larkin, winning $40 of Ethereum just like that. My man, congratulations to Arthur, the number 1 winner. And by the way, guys, so everybody's aware of how this works, I'm looking at the numbers all the way to the left. So number 20 was listed there, and that's Arthur Larkin. So he's our number 1 winner today for $40 of Ethereum. Congratulations, Arthur. You are a rock star, my friend. All right. Let's see what else we got. Now, number 2. Generate. Lucky number 12. Oh boy. Wonder who 12 is. 12. G Money. G Money is the winner of Ethereum's $40 Ethereum coming to your Ethereum address. Congratulations to G Money, one of the best moderators on the channel, one of the best people that have really been with me, honestly, probably since day one. Big shout out, of course, to the elite members across. You guys are all absolutely amazing. Vibi Vart, I see all the names on here and I recognize you guys. Don't get that wrong. But G Money, you know how much you mean to me. Always hyping things up, man, and keeping the chat under control too, which I appreciate. Sticks around usually too. You guys know I can stream into the night, and G Money's always there. Yeah. So G Money's our second winner, and the final winner of $40 of Ethereum goes to lucky number 7, Anthony. I forgot the full name, but Anthony, you are the winner, man. Lucky winner number 3. Anthony. Oh boy, $40 of Ethereum to those 3 guys. Congratulations to each and every one of you. Of course, much deserved. And honestly, everybody deserves it. But you know what? Hold on just a minute. So that's $120. 40 to each of you. You know what, guys? Just because I feel like it, we're going to do a couple runner-up $20 Ethereum giveaways. Let's do it, man. Why not? You guys show me way too much love, so we're going to do a couple more. Generate some $20 runner-uppers, if you will. So, number 9, RD Price. Lucky number 9. You're my number 4 winner. Just something to tag along. $20 winner. Congratulations, RD Price, because why not, man? We're going to do another one. Call me crazy, but hey, man, got to show love. Lucky number 26. Holy smokes. Steven Spataro. Also, lucky winner number 5 for $20, man. Big congrats to the winners. Did we do one more? That's 4. Did we do one more? Oh, man. You guys, someone's got to stop me. Generate. Lucky number 10. Ellen. Guys, I'm having a lot of fun right now. Number 6 winner for $20 is runner-up. Ellen, congratulations on your Ethereum. Ellen, you've been with me for a while now too, so congratulations. All right, how much money are we at? We need to add up the money. So 120, and then that was for the first 3, and then we got 3 more. So what is that? $60 more. So that's a total of $180. $180. Man, though, this has been one of the best streams. This has been one of the best streams, so you know what? We're going to do another one. Lucky number 29. No way. Literally, Jonathan, who caught the bell, just won $20 of Ethereum. Lucky winner number 7. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. $200 total given away today on the stream. Honestly, though, guys, you all 110% deserve it. So really, really, really appreciate you guys so much. Oh. Brian Edwards, oh man, dropping $80. He says, let's do 2 more. This should cover it. Well, guys, I guess we're going to keep it going. Brian Edwards, man, he wants it to keep going. All right, we're going to keep it going. Marlon Hillman. Congrats, SHIBARMY, on the Coinbase listing. They panic, we pounced. Absolutely, my brother. Thank you so much for the $5 super chat. Brian says, let's do it. $80. Brian, thank you so much, man. We're going to do some more. So, let's do a poll. 4 $20 winners or 2 $40 winners? Put up a poll. ETH giveaway. Holy smokes. You guys, this is what this community is all about. Brian Edwards, man. Big shout out to you, bro. All right, so 2 $40 winners times 2, or 4, I can't even talk. 4 $20 winners or 2 $40 winners? Go. I put up the poll. You guys decide. Everything is community driven here. I don't dictate anything. So let's keep it going, man. 34 votes so far. You guys don't know, like, it's weird and this might seem strange, but I love giveaways. Like, it feels good. I don't know. It's nice. It's nice to know, like, I don't know. You guys are showing too much love, so. And trust me, it's gonna, I need it to be a part, like a segment of the channel where we do giveaways. And I have some interesting ideas on how to do them, but some exciting ones. All right. Oof, we're neck and neck right now, guys. 56, what is that? 56% say 20 times 4. 43% say 40 times 2. 57%. Give it a couple more minutes. 113 votes. Once we get to 150 votes, we can stop. Make sure you guys go vote real quick. Do you guys want to do $40 times 2 people get the giveaway, or $20 times 4 individuals get it? Arthur Larkin, man, that means a lot. You guys deserve it, man. Honestly, if somehow we make it big, right? And I think it's going to happen. It's going to take time. But when Shiba Inu takes off, we got to take profits off the top. The community, this community that has been with me, you guys, the ones who comment on my videos, the ones who join my live streams, the ones who just keep me motivated and excited to continue to pump out content on YouTube, you guys are the ones that I'm never going to forget about, especially those elite members. Those elite signs don't mean just, you know, that your pop sign next to it. No. I have something in plan, but money has a lot to do with it, and I need more of it to do what I want to do. But I'm hopeful, and I'm very excited, and I'm sure that you guys one day will be very happy that you decided to do this. Because ROI is what ultimately matters, right? A return on your investment, and that's what I want to hopefully make happen. So all the subscribers, something, I'm going to start doing more of these, but to a bigger scale too. But 56% voted. We're at 150 votes. We're doing 4 more giveaways. A big shout out to Brian Edwards, man. Brian, guys, this one's Brian. So Brian Edwards funding 4 more individuals to get $20 of Ethereum. Love it, man. So let's do it. Let's do it. RNG's up. So winner number 1 for $20 more of Ethereum. Lucky number 4. Lucky number 4, Stevie Littleton. Stevie Littleton is the winner. That is our number 8 winner today for $20. Congratulations, Stevie Littleton. How awesome, man. Let's keep going. We got 3 more winners. 3 more winners. Dun, dun, dun. Lucky number 2, George Krazier, Mr. Orc Cloud himself. Oh, man. That is absolutely awesome. Congratulations, George, being the number 9 winner tonight. Honestly, George, I don't know, man. All of you guys, I wish I could give you so much more. But hey, you won. number $20. Shout out to Brian Edwards for funding it, of course. But congratulations, George. Stevie, congratulations on being number 9, both of you. Now we still got 2 more winners, man. 2 more winners. Click the generate button. Lucky number 6. Where are we at with number 6? Number 6, Aldo Garcia. Mr. Aldo himself. Aldo, man, congratulations, congratulations, congratulations on winning $20 of Ethereum. Aldo has been one of my big time supporters, man. Speaking of which, Aldo, do you still have your merch going, by the way? You and I need to connect. Send me a message on Twitter, because I have some things I want to propose to you. Aldo Garcia. That is our lucky number 10. So I think George, Stevie, Aldo, those are all Brian Edwards super chat. Shout out to him, by the way. He helped fund this one. And we got one more coming, guys. One more coming. And the final winner of today's stream giveaway for $20 of Ethereum. Just like that. I know it's not much, guys. But hey, we got to start somewhere. It starts at 20. Soon it's going to be 100, 500, $1,000, 5,000. Who knows? It's all just going to scale as we continue to grow. But let's hit that generate button, and the winner is lucky number 19. Who could that be? Number 19. George Eagle. We got both Georges winning today. Wow, what a day, what a day, what a day. Number 10. George Eagle winning $20 of Ethereum. The final winner of the night. Congratulations to you, Mr. George Eagle. Big congrats, man. Wow, we had... Oh, man. Let's look at the total amount of money. So I guess it would be $280 given away today. Sorry, I know the spreadsheet probably looks crazy, but we're just going to do it. Man, oh man, though, guys. For all of you, you know what? Oh man, I feel like I can't stop. But regardless, congratulations to everyone. You all deserve it. Each and every one of you. Whether you won or not, still everybody's deserving of the giveaway. And guys, one thing I want to make sure you all know, Shytoshi Saturdays. I still plan to do, I'll do probably a giveaway this Saturday too. And again, just because you won today, that doesn't mean you can't win again. Just remember to try to tune in. I'll try to give you guys a better head start, or a better heads up that I'm going to be going live like I did today on Twitter. I don't mention that I'm going to do a giveaway because I'm not going to probably do them every stream, but there will be streams where I do them, and you're more than welcome to always join in anticipation. But hopefully, for those especially that stick around for the entire stream, means the world to me. So it's the least I could do. So now for the hard part. We got a total of 10 winners, was it, or 11 winners? Number 10, George Eagle. Number 11. 11 winners. All right, so for the 11 winners, what we have to do is I need your guys' Ethereum wallet addresses. And the only way I'm comfortable doing that is directly on Twitter. So what I want you guys to do is give me your Twitter @ for the ones who won today via chat. I'm going to follow you on Twitter, and we'll go from there. All right, so send me a message with your Twitter, with your Twitter, yes, your @. Smash that like button. I was a little late because of work. Heavy Metal Chef, nah, man. I've seen you here for a while now. Oh, big shout out, Abe of Spades, dropping $20. Thank you so much, man. He said, "What's up, Pop? Hey, last night when Married with Crypto asked if I was from your channel. Of course I am, brother. This is where crypto journey started. You got me into Shiba." Wow, man, that is amazing. That is awesome, man. I'm so glad to hear that. And welcome to the crypto journey. I know you've been a part of the channel for a while, and that's pretty awesome because I know a big part of the community that's part of Scott's comes from this channel, it's absolutely amazing. So big shout out to you, my man. Appreciate you, my brother. And thank you so much for the super chat. $20 means a lot. Thank you. And also, Servo Queen, welcome to the Elite Member Club, man. Welcome, everybody. All right, here we go. Let's see the winners. You already have my Twitter. Ellen, do I have you, Ellen? I think I do. Ellen, you follow each other. Ellen, just message me letting me know that's you. I like the parakeet if that is you. All right, let's see. RD Price. At RD Price. The good thing is I wrote how much I owe each and every one of you guys. At RD Price. Follow. We got RD Price. Leon King 1999. And the other thing I wanted to ask you guys is I want to start doing some charity streams. So I want to start doing streams once a week or maybe even once a month that are all super chats, and everything will 110% go to charity of our choice. And YouTube has a little thing that's called, I think, YouTube Giving. YouTube Giving. I think it's called YouTube Giving. Yeah, YouTube Giving. So YouTube Giving allows creators to support the charitable causes they care about. Eligible channels can fundraise for nonprofits by adding the donate button to their videos and live streams. So viewers can donate directly on the video watch page or in the live chat. So I want to do it on a live stream, of course, where we do a live stream of 2 hours. We talk about Shiba Inu, other crypto assets, but all super chats go to a charity of our choice. So we got to figure out how we can make this happen, and which we can make it happen just on YouTube, but which charity we want to do. So I'll put out a couple polls on Twitter, and you guys can help me decide which one, because again, everything here is all of us coming together, right? And choosing where we want our money to go. So following King Ball, there we go, King Ball, Leon. You guys are gonna have to remind me, by the way, Stevie Littleton, let me know that you're King Ball. Like, say, hey, it's Stevie from the after I follow you. RD Price, George Eagle, what's your Twitter, man? Ellen, yep, that's me. Matt, you never added my last stream. You can now. Oh, Matt, I got you. Here we go. Got you, Matt. I've been watching you since the beginning. Shout out Dustin, man. That's awesome. That is awesome, awesome, awesome. Trying to get everybody. Slummy. Appreciate the super chat, man. Welcome to the chat. Yeah, Habibi. Appreciate you, man. Hey, Slummy, you going live tonight? Let us know right now. We gotta be there. Support the boy. Slummy Slumser. You and Rig. Yeah, Rigor Mortis. Definitely gotta get Rigor Mortis on here to do some more. We love going live. Love that idea, Pop. For sure. That's awesome, Bryant. We'll make it happen, man. Bryant, do you have a Twitter? If you do, I want to make sure I'm following you too. Marky Mark. Hey, I didn't win, but it would make my day. Oh, man. Marky Mark. I got you, bro. You've been one of the OGs. I remember you from way back, man. Oh, at Crypto Mark. Marky Mark. I'm trying to find you. Hold on. I am going live. Slummy is going live, guys. If you're on stream right now, if you're on the stream, you guys got to make sure you're following the King of Kings, Slummy, one of my favorite Twitch streamers. The man is a G. He's insane. If you guys think I'm crazy doing 2-hour streams, hour and a half, this man will literally be streaming for 5 hours at a time. And he's a hardcore gamer. So if you guys are there and you just want to talk, I hop in there here and there. Make sure you guys go give Slummy a follow if you like gaming content or streams. I'm trying to, hopefully, if Shiba World comes to fruition, I want Slummy to be like, you know, all over that. And because again, he's a great gamer. He knows what he's doing. So huge fan. Shout out to Slummy. Appreciate the super chat, man. Make sure you guys go over, hit him with a follow if you can. I'll post his Twitch right in the chat too. Gotta show love to the community, man. Twitch.tv/Slummy. I pinned his channel up top. So let me keep following everyone to make sure I got you all. So many tabs on the screen. Okay. I'm still missing some people. Marky Mark. Let me find you. Close poll. At Laker Bryant. Oh, I like that name. Hey, rest in peace. Dr. B. Rest in peace, Kobe. Oh, man. Aldo Garcia. I think Aldo already have you on Twitter, right? You follow each other. Yep, good. All right, who am I missing? There's still a lot more people, man. Dustin Kapler. Pop, I have a flower truck business and wanted to accept Shib in Saitama. Ooh, I like the sound of that. Dustin, hit me up. I think we have each other on Twitter. I want to know more, man. That's the kind of thing that excites me. Businesses, small entrepreneurs, people who want to be content creators that want to include Shiba Inu somehow, some way within their business. I want to help promote or do what I can to do my part to build our community, because that's one other way to do that. So. Ahmed Al Hamidi. I'm not sure why you can't buy on Coinbase. That is strange. But the elite members, I'm trying to figure out where everybody's at, but I can't find them. Arthur Larkin. There we go. Got you. For elite members that won tonight, who have I feel like there's still a lot of people that haven't. Aldo, I got. Stevie Littleton, I got. George Crozier. George, do I have you on Twitter? Hey, G Money, do I have you on Twitter? I need to make sure I got you guys, man. Oh yeah, update the app. This is true. Ahmed, update the app and make sure you have the most up-to-date version of Coinbase, because that's one of the things that they said you'd have to do to start trading Shiba Inu. Crypto Mark. Hey, Marky Mark. It's not letting me find you, man. Oh, underscore. There it is. I got you, man. Got your back, my brother. What? Crypto Mark. Search. No results for Crypto Mark underscore. Oh, here. Account suspended. Twitter suspends accounts which violate the Twitter rules. Boy, Crypto Mark, what were you doing, Marky Mark? Boy, oh boy. I think you might have goofed up with Twitter or something. But maybe you can make a second account. Or maybe it's a temporary suspension so I can just add you whenever they unsuspend you. But I got your back, bro. Definitely got your back, man. Let's see who else. I'm still missing some folks, man. I know I am. Pop, please pass my winnings on to another SHIBARMY member. Keep the good luck rolling. Oh, George. Man. Are you sure, bro? Oh, man. Too kind. Superfly, welcome to the Elite Member Club. Joseph Fain. Hey. Joseph Fain. My G. I know. Super stoked is right, brother. Super stoked is right. We celebrated today, man. And I cheered everybody, but since you just came to the stream, big cheers to you, man. Got my glass of water. So we don't really do any of the drinking around here, but regardless, cheers, man. And congratulations on the big listing today. We all deserve it. It's been a long time coming, so cheers, man. Cheers, cheers, cheers. And Dustin Kapler, the flower truck businessman, hit me up for sure. George for president. Mark and Love Road. It's not suspended though. I'm looking at it right now. Twitter.com/crypto. All right, let me go back on Twitter real quick. All right. Oh, I think I found you. I think I found you. Marky Mark. Crypto Mark underscore. Follow. I got you, man. I think I got you. There we go. There we go, there we go. All right. Marky Mark has been added. Got your back, my brother. Sir Alf Bays. Brilliant, your pop. He says, thank you for the $20, man. Ship up over 30%, plus $4 billion market cap, climbing back to 40s position. Thanks for keeping us positive. Yes, man. Shiba Inu is trying to, catch back to where it was in the upwards in the 30s in terms of its position under coin market cap. So right now, 3.3 billion. I think it could hit 4 billion. I really do think so. I think it can with this run up right now and the momentum, how it's shifted. Boy, oh boy, Sir Elf Bays, I know you have diamond hands, man. So congratulations on these winnings. Guys, winners from today. Do I have everyone on Twitter now? George Eagle. Oh, we're going to do one more, by the way. Random number generator. Because guess what? George Crozier wants to pass his winnings along. But regardless, George, I want to make sure that I have you on Twitter. So give me your @ somewhere here in the chat so I can add you, bro. And George Eagle, I don't have you either. So send me your Twitter @ as well. RNG, random number generator. And so our George Crozier giveaway winner is for $20 of Ethereum. I think George, did you win 20 or 40? George, 20. Yes. So the person who, George, and a big shout out to George, man. Very humble guy. Just wants to share the love, share the support. So he's giving his $20 to someone else. And so that winner is to generate lucky number 7. Hold up, we already got lucky number 7. Anthony, oh, we can't. That lucky number 7 literally won twice. But yeah, we can't do that. We already gave you the first winner for the $40. So Anthony, we're going to do one more generator. Lucky number 10, which is Ellen. Ellen already won. Man, these folks are really lucky if it wants to go towards them yet again. Lucky number 16? 16. Matt, are you still in the chat? George Eagle, I'm driving a semi still and I want to get it to you just as soon as I get out of once. Thank you for all the, oh, George Eagle, no worries at all, man. No worries. If you're working, please don't text and drive or don't do anything. So don't do anything there. All right, folks. Let me see. I'm all over the place. Congrats, Matt. Oh, Matt. Yes. There you are. Matt, what is your Twitter @ man? Congratulations on winning. Big shout out to George for, again, giving up his position and helping someone else out. That's pretty awesome. Much love, George. Gave to winner Matt. So Matt, let me know what your Twitter @ is, please. And congrats, guys. We're going to do a lot more of these kind of things. It's been super fun today. Cheaper to buy on Coinbase Pro. Shiba's at 903. Whew. Yeah, a little delayed here. But if we go on Coinbase, $903. Love it, man. Loving this price action, guys. Let's keep it going, man. Keep it going. There we go. Thank you, George Crozier. Make sure to give you the ad. Well, or Cloud Man. Or Cloud Shot. Follow. Got you, bro. Got you, bro. And Matt, what's your Twitter, bro? Brian Edwards. Holy smokes. Yeah, holy smokes needs to be on literally a shirt of mine. Dude, that's crazy, man. Brian Edwards. Love is the currency of the universe. Remember that, and good night to all. Man. Feeling the love, Brian. Feeling the love, man. Much love to you, brother. Much love. Much love, man. Wow. Brian, it's something else, guys. He's been with me since day one. And this is not the first time he's done stuff like this, so. Man. Wow. Brian Edwards, dude. Supporting you guys, supporting the channel. That's the community that we're a part of, guys. Pat yourselves on the back. If you help, we're gonna do one more cheers today. Lots of glasses today. Cheers, fam. Cheers. Water never tasted so good. We are family. We are family and we are one. If one of us does well, we all do well. Shout out to Bryant, man. Bryant. Wow. Ah, man. Good vibes today. It's been such a good day. Feeling blessed, feeling thankful, feeling honestly just... Cheers, man. Unmineable minds, Shiba Inu. Eat that zero. We're gonna do it, man. I think we're gonna definitely do it. Oh, Matt, I got you. I got you, Matt. I think we added each other. Follow each other. Perfect. For anybody else from the giveaway that I did not get your at, I'll find you. Send me a message on Twitter, please, for the winners with your Ethereum address so I can send you your money, your moolah. Let's eat that zero, hopefully tonight. Brian Edwards showing so much love. Sir Alvez, Josephine, everybody tonight. Elite members, 10 new members to the channel today. You guys are all absolutely insane. I told myself that I would be streaming for an hour, and it's been 2 hours and 15 minutes because I just can't stop. I literally cannot. Man, oh man. That's so awesome. You guys are all rock stars, man. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you guys for your unconditional love and support, really. Through the days that were green, through the days that were red, everybody showed so much love. Diamond Handers, man. Josephine, another $20, man. You guys are nuts. You guys are all nuts, and I love you guys for that. Josephine, I went to Coinbase and bought another 150 million in support for the listing. Love it, man. Love it. That is absolutely awesome. I would definitely be buying more, but the run up, man, we've been buying at 600s for a while now, so really happy with the position. We're ready to pop. We're ready to pop. Pop and keep popping. George Eagle, there we go. Thank you, George Eagle. Got your name? Follow. There we go. Much love. Much love, Shiba Army. Much love, guys. Green candles. Look at the day. On the day, we are looking absolutely nuts. Nuts. Much love, guys. Alert set. RD. Yes. Make sure if you guys aren't, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on those post notifications if you want to make sure that you're made aware as soon as I upload a video. Because again, we've been blessed by the YouTube algorithm because of you all. So things have been absolutely nuts. But especially when I'm going on a stream to do more of these giveaways, I want to make sure you guys are all in, especially for those of you that are in right now on the stream. We're probably going to be streaming tomorrow. Tomorrow might be tough. Saturday evening. Satoshi Saturday is coming your way. And another giveaway, because why not? Share the love that we are seeing, especially with these kind of gains, man. Love it. Robinhood is next. Jatzi Torres says, Robinhood is next. I am with you there, brother. Robinhood is next. Let's go, y'all, says James. Hey, man. YouTube, a Twitter name now. Wow. Wait. YouTube, a Twitter name now? Matches. YouTube, a Twitter name. Did we get a new elite member? Heard something. But Brian Edwards, guys. I'm so. There it is. I thought I saw it. Hall of Fame Dame. Oh, I like that name. If you're talking about Damian Lillard, I agree. The guy's nuts. But he says, Hall of Fame Dame, welcome to the Elite Your Pop member club, man. Much love. George Crozier, bless you, Pop. SHIBARMY to the Orc Cloud. George Crozier, man. SHIBARMY to the Orc Cloud. Totally agree with that statement, bro. Totally agree with that statement. You said it the days that we were pulling back, and you're saying it today, the days that we are flying to the Orc Cloud. Much love, bro. Welcome to all the new members. Metal Chef, thank you, man. And yes, to all the new elite members, welcome everybody. And just so you guys are aware, what does the YourPop logo mean with each name? So some of you are probably wondering, like, why is mine blue, why is mine green? So this is how it works. Basically, it's by month. So for the first month that you're an elite member, you get the green YourPop sticker. And then you, at month 2, you get the blue one. Month 3, you get red. Month 4, yellow. Month 5, purple. Month 6, gold, and moving forward. Now, the other thing that I want to start doing is figuring out a way, because again, for the elite members, I understand, right? Because you're charged a fee to become an elite member, but I want to figure out a way that I can give back outside of, you know, the buy alerts and hopefully making you a lot more gains than, you know, what the membership costs. I want to figure out a way to give back, because again, if YouTube would make it 99 cents, like, I would definitely change it to 99 cents, because I'd rather do that than make it $4.99. Because it's not about the money, it's the fact that you're looking to, you know, be a part of a community that's bigger, if that makes any sense. So yeah, man, I'm still trying to figure things out on a way to give back to you guys. So again, much love to everybody. I don't know how many members we have now. I should check. We have a lot of members though. It's been pretty crazy. Pretty dang crazy. That's all you guys, man. Let me see. One-on-one with elite members. Love it. Nobody has become an elite member? Nobody. Without a face. Hey, welcome. Thank you so much for joining. That's pretty awesome. Thank you so much, nobody. Twitter at your grunt. Anthony Lem, I got you. Thank you so much for the super chat. You didn't have to do that, but I appreciate you, man. Here we go. Dude, that picture though. Sheesh, Mickey Mouse going crazy. I just bought more Shib. Majestic. Ooh. That's pretty cool. Anytime I see the blue Twitter, the blue verified and someone says I bought Shib, I think that's pretty awesome. Let's retweet that real quick. Oh man, elite members. Holy smokes. Karen Robinson, thank you so much for joining. Jordan Tran, thank you so much for the $5, man. Ah, sheesh. You guys are awesome. You guys are all so awesome. Welcome to the elite members. I hope you guys do find value in the elite membership. Appreciate you guys. We had 13 new members on the stream today. Crazy town, man. Crazy town. Jordan Tran. Wow. Big shout out, guys. Look what we've created. Look what we've done. And Twitter. Approaching 12,000 people on Twitter, guys. Crazy. You guys are making all this happen, man. You guys are making this happen. The Pop and Rigger show, by the way, we want to bring that back. Things have been quiet because he's been super busy, but I've still been super active. But you know, Rigger, Mortis, and I definitely want to get that back. We want to get it back and running because it's been too fun. Absolutely insane. Karen, though, thank you so much. George Eagle, I think I got you. You're gonna hit 70K. Sue says Heavy Metal Chef. Yeah, we hit 68,000 subscribers today. Earlier, I got the notification, which is insane, man. Insanity. 50,000 or 68,000 subscribers. What are we at right now? We could even go check. 68,400 and 400 more people have. Dude, like, that doesn't make sense. It does not make sense. But I love you guys for it, man. I truly do. But let me make sure I got you, George Eagle. I think I do. Yep. George, I'm following you now, so I got your back. We are following one another. So it should be good if you send me a message there. Bilal Hussein, can I ask you a question? Absolutely, man. No need for another super chat, but ask away, man. Ask away. I'll answer questions if you have them, to my best ability. I'm only at 619. Heavy Metal Chef, 619 for what? Is that Twitter or? Heavy Metal Chef. Don't wait. Heavy Metal Chef. Oh, I thought you had YouTube. You do have a YouTube channel. Wait, why didn't I know about this? Hold up. The best creamy pesto pasta. Is this you? Heavy Metal Chef. Before I go on and like get too excited, is this your channel? Subs on YouTube cooking channel. Dude. Pop, did you find my Twitter? Oh, I didn't, G Money, but now I think I got you. There it is, G Money. Follow, got you, G Money. Stand up for what you believe in, even for me standing alone. Whew, man, guys, G Money with the knowledge drop right there. I love it. Heavy Metal Chef, is that you? Yes, sir. We got Heavy Metal Chef, another YouTuber in the chat. I didn't even know that, man. Dude, let me subscribe, man. Cooking with you. So you make recipes? Dude, let me just forward a little bit. I want to see kind of best creamy pasta. I want to see the final. Oh boy, he's stirring. Oh man, Heavy Metal Chef. Dude, I did not know this. Shib family members with, oh, the little fire emoji. I think I saw that. Dabble up some. Ooh, got me hungry now. Now I'm craving some pesto pasta. Hoo-wee. Okay, Heavy Metal Chef. All right, guys, you know what to do. Shiba Army. If there's a Shiba Army member that's also doing something, we gotta support. We gotta show support. We gotta show some love. So I said, man, I'm hungry. If you guys want to get hungry and see some good recipes, make sure you go follow Heavy Metal Chef on YouTube. I pinned this video right up top there. Make sure you guys go smash that like button on his video too. If you support me, support the other Shiba Army members, of course. Much love. Congrats, Heavy Metal Chef. Glad that you're pursuing something that you like. That's absolutely insane. James says 1,335 likes in the stream today. That is number one. That's the most likes I've ever seen on a stream live. Crazy. Much love. Holy smokes is absolutely right. Bilal Hussein says, why did you block me? Because I speak the truth. I did not block you, man. On what platform? I don't think I did, at least. The only people I block usually on YouTube are the ones who either are like, you know, using profanity, using bad language to try to get a point across, which I think is just, you know, again, just use following guidelines. We try not to do that. And also if someone is spamming, that kind of thing, and it doesn't have to necessarily be me. Any of the elite members are the ones who are also moderators of the chat who will block. So, but I don't think it was me, Bilal. But I want to know on what platform. Is it Twitter or is it YouTube? Because speaking the truth is one thing. And if you see some of the people that I follow back on Twitter used to hate on Shiba Inu a lot. I followed them and I gave them my perspective. I actually would have a full conversation with them, a full dialogue, giving them my 2 cents. And most of the time, by the end of the conversation, they've joined the army. So it all depends though. I'm not sure, because I don't recognize the name, to be honest, man. I mean, Bilal sounds like an Arabic name, I know that much, but nothing more than that. Brian Kreitz. Welcome, man. Brian, becoming an elite member too. Thank you so much. Appreciate your support. Josephine, well work calls. Back to the grind. Much love, Shib Army. Josephine, have a good one, man. Thank you for your support, and thank you for the super chat. Appreciate you, my brother. Heavy Metal Chef, I'm trying to make enough money in crypto to retire and get a food truck. Whoa! A food truck would be absolutely awesome, man. Those food trucks can make bank. Like, top grossing food trucks, like, this is kind of a side note, but just so you guys are aware. Top grossing food trucks in California, I think was where I saw. What was it? I remember I was looking at it. Food trucks make. The salary in California. I don't know. As again, it's a side hustle. I've seen some make over 6 figures for sure with the food truck. So I don't know what these statistics are, but I've seen it. I don't know. I forget what the search was, but man, that's awesome. Pursue your purpose, man. Your pop, your pursuit of purpose. If it's in investing, if it's in whatever, you got to pursue that and find out what it is and go after it, man. 110% energy. Don't slow down. I found mine, thankfully. I'm very thankful that I found mine. And it's being on the space here, being on YouTube, making content, creating community. That's what I enjoy. So you got to do it. Some up to six grand a day. 6 grand a day. Crazy, man. Crazy. I love it, though. I love it. Bilal. Okay, there's so Superfly. He's saying here, Bilal Hussein. Of course, I'll respect your message. So he says you blocked me as Superfly. So it wasn't me initially, Bilal. A lot of the elite members, and I remember that. But he says I'm an elite member and I spoke the truth. And nobody blocked us, by the way. From all the moderators, just let him speak his mind. But he says when there's nothing wrong, that's not right, bro. Bang out of order. To be honest, your info is not right. Well, Bilal, I totally respect your opinion, man. I 110 respect it. No need for super chats anymore. And if you'd like, just send me a message on Twitter so I can pay you back, because I saw you've given a few super chats. I don't want you to pay money to just get your message across. But I want to make sure you understand that we can have different perspectives, right? And that's one thing I realize is I remember when the username Superfly would come in the chat, and there was a lot of things that were spoken that were out of context and out of sense. You know, saying things like Shiba Inu is a rug pull. The developers are like, if I recall right, when it comes to these kind of things, Coinbase is not going to list. There's a lot of these people who are spreading FUD in a community where we're here trying to learn about, again, and spread positivity. So if you have negative things to say, I don't mind you saying them. But the moderators in the chat, for the most part, we try to keep away from people spreading FUD, because the fear, uncertainty, and doubt plagues every single crypto. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Doge, you name it. All your crypto holdings that you have in your portfolio, there's a community of individuals that get together that spread FUD around the space. So for you, if you have something you want to share or perspective, go for it. But try to say it in a way that's professional. Try to say it in a way that's not necessarily going to bring negativity into the space. You can try to address issues, but you got to do it in a manner that's, again, more professional if you can. So, when you said something, that last statement that you said, to be honest, also your info is not right. That's fine. You could say it. You could say what you want. But when a moderator sees that, they're going to quickly flag it. So instead, what I would say is, your pop, I have a question, right? I have a question about you stating this. Can you elaborate? Can you go into detail? Because I would be more than happy to have a full dialogue with you, my man. And you know what, Bilal, if you would be more than willing, I'd follow you on Twitter and we can take this over to Twitter and have a full conversation. Because I will have to end the stream pretty soon here. So let's go ahead and talk about it. But let's talk about it in a professional way and in a professional tone. So if you're okay with that, let's do it. No need for any more super chats, man. And also give me your Twitter handle so I can directly send your message there. And Brian Critus, thank you so much for the $2, man. Appreciate your support. Thank you all so much. Or a wrench upside the Ty, wait, why aren't you a moderator? Add moderator, Ty. There we go, Ty Malone. No FUD in this chat, period. And the other thing that happened also, Superfly, if that was you, is I think you were also muting a lot of people, which I think was bothering others. You were muting people that were saying positive things. So that's another thing that I think triggered a few of the moderators and myself, if I recall. Again, I think it's been over a month now. So yeah, there's my 2 cents. Thank you guys for not blocking him or. And much love. I respect the moderators a lot. All of them. I would have deleted that pop, but you said let him. You see? These people it's a no FUD zone, man. No FUD zone. G Money is not playing. I just said, hey man, did you find it? What are we looking for? He's mystified. Oh, you guys are funny, man. So yeah. that's what I had for you guys. Let's hope that the price action continues to thrive, man. The overall market is still correcting a little bit. See Bitcoin down nearly about 0.5%, Ethereum half, so not too bad. A little bit more consolidation today. But if the overall market pulls back up tomorrow, oh boy, you guys know where that means we're headed. We're gonna head way up top, and it's gonna be absolutely phenomenal. Crazy, man. D, we can all be respectful. Exactly, professional and respectful. That's what I meant to say. Brian, what was that? Anti-sober. Thank you for the $1, man. Appreciate you. It all means the world to me, man. See you tomorrow. Have a good night. I always look for new vids in the morning. I got you. I got you, Brian. Always. I'm done for tonight, though, for sure, but phone died while driving. Oof, Dustin. Welcome back, but we're about to end the stream here soon. So for last but not least, guys, everybody that's in, if you did not send me your Twitter handle, make sure you figure out a way to send it to me, because that's the only way I can send you your Ethereum tokens, because I'm not going to send it to someone who just says, hey, I won. I need to confirm that it's you by sending me your Twitter handle. And so just do so if you haven't, please. And that's it for tonight. Appreciate you all. I'll be sending the Ethereum throughout the night, so expect it to come through. I'll message you on Twitter first before I send it, though. All right, guys? That's all I had for you guys. 1,360 likes on the video. Thank you all so much for making that happen. Over 25,000 people were on the stream today. I'm looking at the analytics right now. Holy smokes. Crazy, man. Crazy. So thank you all so much for joining and making it happen. And we have 600 plus viewers that are in here right now. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Let's grow this family. We're approaching now 69,000 subscribers. I think we're going to hit 70,000 by the end of the month. I think by October 1st, we'll be at 70,000 subscribers. But we'll see. Only time can tell. Dustin Kapler, my flower truck is Pixel. What is it? Popopus? I like the name. Popopus, if I'm even saying it right. Pixel Popopus. Yeah, flower truck. Oh, wow, dude. This is actually super nice. Wow. No way. This is so fancy. Bay Area. I knew it was going to be California. Can make a reservation. Pixie Pop-Ups. Am I saying that right? Pixie Pop-Ups. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I probably butchered the name and you're like, dude, stop. But I got you, man. Pixie Pop-Ups. And Aldo Garcia also mentioning that he has his Etsy store. Oh man. Aldo, we need to talk. Just a side note. I'm trying to open here. Oh, here we go. We have so much talented people in the chat, man. So we got the Flower Shop, Pixie Pop-Ups. We have Aldo's Shiba Inu. Look at this, even very affordable $2 stickers. What I need to do, Aldo, if we can make it, yeah, I need to get some of this stuff and put it back here. So I've been working on making the studio, but it's been such a struggle, and we're probably gonna be moving soon. So it ended up if I could show you guys, I could show you what my setup looks like. But I have these two big lights, have the tripod, have everything, but the backdrop is what we're trying to figure out. So putting some cool Shiba Inu merch back there, just fun things. I want to make it happen. But awesome, Aldo, love your store, man. I'm gonna buy some stuff. Man. What to buy? What's the turnaround time? Oh, you're in Minnesota. You're close. Galaxy Shib. See, these are some cool stickers, man. I like this. Aldo, I like it a lot. Some of these t-shirts, and I could wear them on the stream. Hey, we're gonna make something happen. Aldo, send me a message on Twitter. I got you. We'll make it happen, especially that you know how to use Etsy and stuff. I wanna launch some merch. I've been trying to, and I'm trying to find someone to do that with. So Aldo, you might be my man. If you're the one who designed some of these things, I think we could do something, bro. So big shout out to Pixie Pop-Ups, Aldo, everybody else. Thank you all so much for your support and love. Tonight has been insane. So thank you all so much. Dustin Kapler, make sure you send me a message on Twitter so we can maybe talk about how we can get Shaitoshi or someone to figure out a way to help you with the whole payment system. Aldo, man, I got you. And I got my P.O. box now, by the way. That's one other thing I wanted to mention. We got the PO box. So if any of you guys are talented or people who like design or art, if I can have your guys' things in the background, SHIBARMY, literally things from the community as the backdrop to help you grow your own businesses, your own art, whatever it might be, I want to make it happen. And I'm not just saying that. I promise this is exactly what I want to do. That's what I envision. I envision one day, right? Very soon, because we're probably going to be moving in the next couple months, so I can have a bigger studio. What I kind of envision is a background that is just like insane. All things that's made by the community. Pictures, art pieces, clothing, whatever it might be, everything back there, and we'll design it, make sure it looks good, and we'll make it happen. So if you're someone within that, I want to help you. So reach out to me. Aldo, got your back. Thank you all so much for tuning in tonight. It's been absolutely phenomenal. Approaching 3 hours. We'll make it all happen. G Money, congrats to you as a winner for today's giveaway, and all the others. Aldo, we'll talk soon. Thank you all so much for tuning in, guys. I'll keep talking if you let me, so I better go. Have a good rest of your night. And until next time, everybody, congrats again. SHIBARMY, one more cheer. One more. Cheers, everybody, for getting listed on Coinbase. This is only the beginning for a successful road, hopefully moving forward. So big cheers. Everyone, take a sip. And congratulations one more time. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.